Abusua, mama akwaba emra Adom TV. Jumede we ye nkranhyensem. Na woni mo so mfa apostle ni tekotegu na mtedwamu. Ene ye beka emra edi kan ya nipa ubuso a obedi hia abrabrabom. Na se wo hwe so a obaba be wie payo. Ene ye the law of loving relationships. Nkitahudi a ejina wodo so. Onyame a wobo me no mi no obo ye se ne se so. Na twekoko che se God is love. Onyame yodo. Enti abrabo ayebu ni nya so eye wodo. Obi a woni odo, obabira ne sa. Obi a sebe wo ya hoya. Obi a wo ye enibre. Obi a otan ahye wo ma no. Wo ye brefo e wa brabom. Ma yenka mako huma no etredu mienu nchichemudu sa ekwade asam baako ose do wo nyankopon e wo akoma mu wadwene mu e na wo kra nyina mu na ebiom de toso mienu ose do wo nyonko sa ho we chia mra nyinara. Oh, love your God with all your heart, with all your mind, with all your strength. The second is love your neighbor as yourself. There's no law greater than this one. I said, love your God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind, with all your strength. And the second one is to love your neighbor as yourself. There is no law greater than this. If you say, "Oh, you know, emra wudi so a ema brabo kan di kan eye emra ifre the law of love." Ansa na woni pa betimi abubura se onyankopon asase so a. Ansa na woni pa betimi adi obone so no. Ni nyina so eye empo ye ni nyankopon kita hodie ne ankrankra so kita hodie a ejina odoso. We are creations of communication and love. And not just communication, excellent communication and love. Onyame firi opepemu ne kesapemu ene bo wo. Na no se na ese wo so gina so ebubura. Enti obi a okasa anye duhwa. Obi a woni odo no, wa start abu nyankopon mra so. Abra bebe ya awraho. Obi oni do no ekronfo. Obi oni do no, owia obi yire ene obi kunu. Obi a oni do no, onka no kure. Obi oni do wo de adwuma hye no a wo ye ne basa basa. Wodo eya de nyina anu aduro enu nti na wodo wiase nyina emra a yedi so a abrabo be wie pa odo onye se oni oba ba akoda mpaso. There's something bigger than what we call the emotion of love. Love is an attitude that seeks to make sure that others live well like you are doing. Enti ne ka emra se yedi so abrabo mu a wodo. Love is more than that warm feeling. It is a powerful force that enhances our lives in so many ways. Beyond joy, beyond nkitahudie, beyond abrabo a sabe enije wo mu no. Nia ema abrabo ede na ekonkan enyina so eye abrabo a ejina wodo so. Odo ya aresa duro. Odo ya duro ede mankitahudie. Wa odo no wira ho sasa wodi kan e ma odo ejina wo mu enti odo no wankasa odo ho na wo mpese obeye so obi. If you love yourself, you don't compare yourself to others, so you are not stressed by social media. If you love God, you respect him, and if you love yourself, you value yourself. So wo do obi a osombo ma odo e ya de nyina eti na odo e ma ko area kra ba down. So wo odo a wo lower wo blood pressure. Yeah, obi an oya yakomayare bia dodo na agina otan ahoya e na pesem kunya e na wo pre a wo pe a wonya na wodo e ade nyina e fapem nti ka emra a se edi so a se ye de odo nkita hodie ebubura emfa so bia obone emfa so dia oye ne nye se odu fie na ode sede no odo e kire wo ho kani a odo hia oku adwumam na de sede no odo eye adwuma unya odo so mfaso na beponkwa na womre bebre e de anim edibre ene ahoden ye adwuma ebekofie ni abre Sansa odonim. Odo ebre stress ase. Odo ebre anxiety ase. Na odo eye nia ekani nyina bomu ema tinkapa ema nipa unyini enya ade. Love is a secret to physical and mental well-being. Enti mi nua ba ma ne mi nua ba. Ene de bia no bia obone. Ebia na enkoyie empaba pe odo. Ma odo ntra wakoma mu. Kan odo nsem kire ho. Meyi, metumpon, me do me ho. Me ho ofe. Ma ba be dimu. Na me so na muntu a metu ebe koyie. Kan yo ma de odo ni nkuranhye be hye nkran. Na ka san nsem kire obi. Na ota aka odo nsem a wotwe odo e de ben na abrabo egina ye. Obra ye bre nyina no. Ni nyina so e sebe. Odo. Na obebra se woni odo. Odo nye nsem a yeta aka keke. Odo nye ade yeta bu no abonfia. Many of us are quick to seek love from others, but we don't know how to give love. Da wodo di. Ye ka odo a wodi ni die e ma obi. Ye ka odo a wodi ne kura kire obi. Ye ka odo a you are reliable. Obi betimi ne ho ato ho so. Ye ka odo a wo ye de sefata. Ye ka odo a wabrabo nso so de sede na ne je bra obi. Ene ye fen wo do. Wabrabo mu do. Na wabrabo mu do a onya de sefata. Wabrabo ni odo a emu no e hata na nche na ebu. Odo ya ide nyina afapem. Nti abusua ene dey obi a bone kra fa che no enyina otan nya ho ya so mfa mubra na ka che won se odo ya ade nyina etire nti em found ya call my brabo mu me di odo ebe na ese the benefits of love are external and they create happiness, and indeed love is above everything. O ada onya bone o odo a onya awrewo o ado a wabrabo ewie peyo enti do daddy na me so me do daddy a kire wo e ba wo bia me do odo na me de gya wo e wa Adom TV wo a adwuma Adom TV biara odo na me de ma wo me kama kan say Richmond Makweba Priscilla gya we kan pedu na Thomas Ade ebi mba camera Thomas so bo ha na me ko sound a won so wo Adom TV adwuma ko fo nyina me de odo agya mo wo a unya amrehwe mo so de woni onyamentra e wo odo so.
Samu akwa Badwam TV Badwam Jumadi so Apostle Dr. Nita Ekotegwa yeda se onkran hyansam enenso odi abre de edu so ne Badwam kase ensam ne obetie bi eni nakok mpanifo ede kokobopa na etu dwamo bia wode red edi dwuma twon firi ho ntesamra no ene obedi sansemi ene sembi ena no pe yede bro Adom TV Badwam kase uko Facebook /Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTube search Adom TV 2 kwa adomonline.com semi any sembebre wo ho faseda emma majoy trish majoy one more Instagram ni Facebook atade fefe shemi any bebre ho ho no a ebenya so no de e de amaw mididi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de bientie se den sam ni chemu ankasa etie Apoye Mantemu Commander Share Narcotics Control Commission so Philomena Obenewa Sata ene wakasa de afa sade Ghana dehye ni tichu wo Apoye Mantemu do won ho ahye red no enumu no ha dwen ho sunsu aso wo nipadua no so no edoso to ade kokobɔ ne afutu ama wona enum
Apoye Mantemu Commander the Man Narcotics Control Commission Philomena Obenewa ene dia to just say obipi mu wono Mantemu ho asane omanfo bi eto nani de asi opioid so ewo ho eyade a ha dwene pa we no to just say
Eastern region has say ya red fufuro bi aba ye friend red normally omoto wa pharmaceutical shops ideally no unu edro ye bibi esa oyare o kwan benso either say ebema o central nervous system akosro ana say ebeba from say dia wakoma ebo no na yehu say edro no fa emakoma no bo ebro so na omufa na sansusu na omuntena ho saa ubehu na bia wanom ensa bi aka ho enti no based on say wafa edro ba ko a ebema wakoma abobrɛwo wafa foforo ebe mo akoma abo gidigidi na afi was confused system no it go say central nervous system no I a bit confused yes na start affect the organs in the body nti ba ni eastern region say red any edro ba ko a ha adwen pa
ma one more akwa stop galamsey now ehum one more nante na one more chese bosumi nkunu ne yama mpani John Dramani Mahama eba ye no said galamsey no guso ekoso no nti wo mo twena dwen e de asiso so wo so sorry waka no ye bibi efa ho.
So it's necessary that we fight this and we fight it with all might. This is devoid of party colors, as I always say. It is we coming on board. Our leaders is rather unfortunate. We find ourselves where 60 years plus become a leader. It is us, the youth, that are putting our lives at stake. Our future is at stake. So we have to fight because they have enjoyed life and they are still enjoying. What we're saying is that not just stepping out to say you are declaring a state of emergency. You can actually start with urgency, and urgency is we knowing your layout plans.
In 9 months as a commander-in-chief, Untumen Solvo Galamsey, when you're cut out for the job, when you're president, president in 9 months. Yedi adwuma we asha o sase anka no pe na ayema Ghana fo anka ye ni beje wan tumi anye wunye president.
His Excellency, nature is rising. Ochina omo bebe ka kire the people omo kasa na ene no o meka kire say uye incompetent. Incompetent Jomama administration o. Incompetent Jomama administration. Incompetent o maintenance you yetawechi. The youth of this country are behind you 100% and we will uphold and defend your good name forever and ever. Amen.
Ora Newton Fiagbenu ye director ma Brim Central Municipal no National Disaster Management Organization and one more than share atona kwan so ansase yantambe 500 acres there. One more edge eyansase a one more aseno de galamsey aseno and almost shania mo mbe faso asansase ni nyina wonsa ebetumi aka.
Nanmo director wo Brim Central Municipality in Newton Fiagbenu ene edi atodwa se nadmo for nhye bi egu akwamu a enchekura asase ekabese ahenuma eno eben Brim ensuo manfotu afamagudi enfa kwampa so aseno no obetumi edi aboa asanje asase nyina edi aba ne tibia dademu
sisi di aya adwin se ama me staff no me pese me continue ehwe bebi o maja samra ni nyina eguna etumi aboa na yanya partners bi so NGO for so mo dwuma mo dia na reclamations nti me ni MC ni ngiji ni ahwede be ya fact ani mani ya na ansase na omo a di owners na kasa release di ma eye minus ni yes edwuma ni ya no ye ni omo baka so mo ntumi ni ho bibia ye fa ho adase bia nad money municipal na etumi SCC ansase na ye be hwe na ya penwie bia na ase bibia bitumi di aye ebitumi di fufu bi fa so fufu bia ye abre municipal na ye guso a ye engage wo.
Yatwa Badwam Kasiano Esona Mekasa United Nations General Assembly the Tosu Duno enwoche 80th session no dia ekoso wiase aman akandifo nyina no wormo gina wormo hyiamu ewo ho a wo hwe kwan ahodo a wo hawa amaman ekomu no mbefa so asia no ne no kane Liberia won mpani eye Salif Johnson na akokasa wo kiremu sese kwabasa bibi koso aman bi mu a enye seka atwe ne tuo ne mum si etna se ni asesa adwen aboama mpuntuo ene nkanko akoso.
Our United Nations General Assembly toso eduhotwe won mo hihye so New York ewo US minemu enam so ama ewiase afana nyina mpanyimfo kwakohia won mo etoatoa adwene ede ahwe kwan a obefa so na ne maba ko bi ha won mo aman wotimi aso no ne ho enabra Liberia mampanyin Salif Johnson enkasayimu ewo opening session na se wodi to just say
20 years after the founding, we must recommit to the Charter, to our common security, to the belief that nations can choose dialogue over destruction. We begin in Africa, our shared cradle of resilience and hope, where democracy is weakening, where fractures across borders from Sudan to the Sahel to the Great Lakes strain our regional architecture. Yet, across Africa, communities stand up to extreme violence. Regional bodies mediate transitions, and women's groups negotiate truces.
Paniya wadona da lodge drivers welfare ano dia de serpa na ma shenkafo se nkrofo yire no professors nkrofo ma ene nkrofo de hia wo mo ne kro ema busua bidie ena wo mo kra hye won sam sa droba fo nti obese wani die mu a wa shenka mu no ya wonfo wani ento emu enhunu ni pasu a wo mo etwi wo mo no se be ye benam me no sunti kwanhia ebeba fo
da NF leader de my Lord J drivers welfare Togbo J Jump Wise eni ede adestrekese pa eto driver for woman mu nyina enimo se adaroma se wono ebetina wono ahyemu na wotu akomia ya hodo a wonka hunu se omanfo eyerenom wonkununum womma na fifie ni ti na do wono mo enam ne senti osikwan so a wonya hweyi pa na kwankonam wono mo eso ama ebusua bi anhwere wono mo ade
organizers hu se da bi e wo se ye adwuma so a agi ahome na enu nti ene holiday die yenso ye de ho jim se ye be organize ye ho na ya fo pipoi ni abetenetene yempum ni ahwese ne awrade nyagopo be ma yempum den asi akọ na okura nyamani meto obi afo amanfo yire amanfo kununum amanfo ma amanfo professors amanfo doctors amanfo stars nyina akura yensem a wose Adom kodu be mo kwa asumdwiem mesre ahyankafo nyina enkanka online drivers loje members say momodia se mobetwi ka no ewo mo ankasa mo honden so wabra jiwa home mennom sanfa ntwi ka me so se ema distraction how ebini eto nufuo ene signboard akase a distract yen abra yetwi ka se wo no ma we mu nyina na yi wani firi ho a Nyankopon bebo ho ban de wakọ aba asomdwiem ti metu ahyankafo nyina afo se yenya hweye ye ka atwi mu
Yenya no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na hana brema kwan na yede asie umre no wada agenti yeda se
metwas boostable mixture ekan ho na yede agodi ebonsa metwas so of course Franco Trading Enterprise for Papa Fie appliances Papa Fie Franco Trading Enterprise makwedi esi akonkon a na yede ba Bernard Padibo twe back to Batan and then of course James Asiama Pablo Aima the producers and okay, yantisim na yanfansam na Kejwana Kasani Eric Asiedu Bwedi, Beshasi the free and right there. Ballon d'Or, the French football magazine Ballon d'Or. And Barnaby Yano na hey, I wanted to go when you say. I want to say Omuhusi, but you know, send a Yamasi Kakako in there. Ousmane Dembele na Nebenya. Yes, of course. So Ousmane Dembele is the best player in the world according to the French football magazine. And I feel emotional or hurt ne football career now. Neba bia ne podium no gina so na obonani na ni suo do da bia so onye serious player pa jo to was mame onye serious player oh e prankwa TV game nkwa ti ne Barcelona career ndie omonyo Dortmund to Barcelona afene yine to twene then a coach comes na coach no abere revive ti ne bia me kase football eno ani coaching football the one coach asan bra you see how the transformation abana bra woman na that podium such a big podium so far the exploits with Paris Saint-Germain and a French national team Ousmane Dembele congrats I know then they course so horrible then Copa Trophy, the best young player, Lamine Yamal, Ibana, the best young player. And after Yashin Trophy for the best goalkeeper, Gianluigi Donnarumma. And of course, Walondo top 10 in the Ousmane Dembele, Lamine Yamal, Tosumi, Vitinha, Tosumi, and Mohamed Salah, Tosso, Rafinha, Tosso, Num, Ashraf Hakimi, Tosso, Isia, and so Kylian Mbappe, Cole Palmer, and Donnarumma, Nuno Mendes. Top 10 players in the world according to Ballon d'Or. Now get Muller Trophy ko Edima the top scorer Mema Victor Gyökeres of Arsenal onona dear man on Johan Cruyff Trophy for the best coach akoma Luis Enrique. So Luis Enrique and then the best coach Luis Enrique na di kan de ban no the best club of the year Mema na Paris Saint-Germain and a man Arsenal. So Luis Enrique and the best coach and on home fan until they want to mean Kodano could be bicycle at the Aquashua man jonku. Inti, born on crown to a bench. So say wa bre ti they just say sort na fie na ya de bibia bre ne ade ade. So that is the best coach of the year. Ousmane Dembele, the sixth French player, what me winning Saba Sobodi, the likes of Raymond Kopa, Michel Platini 3 times, and Jean-Pierre Papin, Zinedine Zidane, and then of course Karim Benzema, about the sixth player, Kwambia Soro. What you mean? I just abaso, but dear no. So the top 10 and the also at the Amano now. The most successful players in the Ballon d'Or history, and of course, Lionel Messi, 8 times, Cristiano Ronaldo, 5 times, Michel Platini 3 times, Johan Cruyff 3. Van Basten 3, Etiano, Neo Momagene do Duopa, Liga, Womaje, Ballon d'Or do Duoro. La Liga 24 times, won by 14 players. Serie A 18 times, also won by 14 players. Enra Paris Saint-Germain. SA Niema. Umuso wako jini dinyo Ballon d'Or asedie. But Olympique Marseille e pone bakwa. One to me and tie. Da to me say na anwa den. SA Niema pa. Over 1.5 for more. Paris Saint-Germain win or draw more. Paris Saint-Germain winning over 1.5 for more. Paris Saint-Germain straight winner more. Nina, when you want to Zoom, it was the classic. Then I was, of course, a derby and Tinano Bayading. And Yamawa, some say to me about Paris and Yamaya by a goal to nil. And the English League Cup, but Bash, so you're interested in fixtures no city. On our screen to see how this is it. Barnsley, Brighton over Badwam, Burnley, Cardiff City, Fulham, and Cambridge, Lincoln, and Chelsea, Wigan Athletic, and Wycombe Wanderers, and a face to the Wolves. And in Everton, there's Wrexham, Reading, and Liverpool versus Southampton. And it's any officials know, so it's yet here in the League Cup. Now, La Liga, and Manchester, Athletic Club Bilbao, and Girona, Espanyol, Valencia, Levante, Real Madrid, and it's, of course, there's Sevilla and Villarreal. And it's in the Spanish Liga, so I want some in the Coppa Italia. Second round, Frosinone kwa away to Cagliari, and of course Palermo ko Udine na AC Milan and Lecce, and so at the Abueni we the Coppa Italia fixtures to Kashan and so F Mame. Well, Shannon, so I say Franco Trading Enterprise, someone can want to pay near in some at a by impost about mixture and so sponsors now. Wafu Zombie and a 17 boys tournament in Costa Ghana first game you ball draw against Togo and then you trust the Ivory Coast boy in second game and Tikashan and so F Mame say to maybe be in our second game. Ivory Coast a host nation they see to me Yahona Yahenya resource Papa Adom. Now to the Ghanaian Premier League match day 2 Hassel game 9 runners a bash and ras about dreams by go to nail. Young Korean as I gave me Sequoia.
Second time.
Well, House of Oak 1, Dreams FC 0. It was Dreams FC home, and so Dreams 0, House of Oak 1. Coach Judy Dramani, head coach at the Mahatso Folk after the game, Nisami.
Leading into this game was to set up, the right mentality. So we're to set the right mentality of winning, and so irrespective of how the game was going, we needed to just set up our minds that we have to play and win, but still we have to keep our structure. I demanded for effort, I demanded for energy, I demanded for performance, and I demanded for
Madam Diani. All right, and so I know the question Dramani at the two just no set up no nese we na na eba na dia like you match day 2 yeah bowie and send a table next year kwakoye. This is it, and Mediema on top, 2 wins from 2, and so or 6 points out of Lions also starting so well. Also anya 2 wins out of 2. Karela Tosumi and San for us of anya win back or draw back. Swedru All Blacks, yes. 1 win, 1 defeat, and so or 3 points. Bibiani Gold Stars, Asante Koroko, Nations Challenge Sokoroko outstanding game. Bibiani Gold Stars also outstanding game because some about African nations. Adriana Samatex, Hohoi United, Holy Stars, Bichim United, Young Apostles, 11 Wonders, and Afiso Vision Dreams, Brekum Chelsea, and Omaji Asieho at the Apostle. Wow, so I don't understand a table in the city now. Yeah, can be Biani Gold Stars as some of the Ebony. After JS Kabili Che, Gold Stars Bono, Minu, what a crash sports stadium on Saturday. And right, you know, Abetum, so I'm a head coach, and the a different performance on Monday night on Quantapai. Said I be ultimately FIMA, more two, sir, until my Pama coach from performance soon. And 2-0, they almost had no day. Bibiani Gold Stars and Master Kunadu, and Yabo Boni Dean saying here, I know I better take you over from Frimpomans. So Frimpomans has been a fantastic coach at the Omoji League, you know, doing a fantastic job. But Omoji say hey, I don't see the Bibiani Gold Stars also the other no. But if you are going to Africa, now one strengthen with team. Now was simple for no our DG League, you want to be my big coco. Now the new players a bar. Now they could share a whole JS Kabilia or no or Wabo Africa. No ball tour. Also a new entrance. You were a novice in the Champions League. I think too you can manage a ball second leg at the buyer. I don't know if a different coach is going to be able to overturn the 2-0 though. But Yanshe, Aja, Gold Stars phone and him the Omoye. So also my Pamonwa. Friend Pomanson, good luck. Oku any mono kohesa obenya djuma for the aya. Ti Yanshe Maxwell. Rumors I didn't know from Mamuno. Ebe to me, yeah, not just if your visuals of Damia, kakra, but Franco Trading Enterprise, I can want to pay this sort at the air war friend 024 642 2338 024 642-2338 and of course 055-593-9311 055-593-9311. Now of course in booster bar mixture no matter what it's on boost to immune system no boost to now it's small boys thing now buto want to actually baby the likes of diabetes, ulcer, cancer, hypertension, UTI, candidiasis, body pains, loss of appetite, stress you know ninga no in boost you fuel in boost but be a tone I be draw be aqua super in boost heba mixture. Now ya kind of sound no you say your visuals of your ballots and I say warm up to dame on Saturday you check a crana for you me pressure and sana cause director e be o ho apia to mame na afi you shade
ima across me fitema na e ba no drafter me bomb me modern pa na Adom TV dame agudi awu be hye so yi obia e che na hwe na draft de se won dwa wonuma wonya bintu na ese omu job num dodo na se danu dua 27th of this month se danu dua omu kase na ye hia o a ena de obetumi aye no na wa ye na ya hwe nti mi ka hye no tamfo ni na ye tema no tamfo ni na ni temafo ni na se obia obenya adaje on the 27th no mbe hwe yima across because or the more it and eba and enye de omo kana me tie na media metumi aye no e wo hodada enti me no omo kasa na omo ni media metumi aye enti saada no de awoso ye be ma no wo de bra yima across e twen wo na ohia wo a de obehunu wa wo kwa obeka koka enti Adom TV
the tournament today more do be expecting oya agwel onye gidi bia oya agwel ti mo wo mu na elebe de na dam so de wole nyim de ebe dam asa oya agwel ko team nye de dam asa ye be bia ebe ba no ibra obi ye aka obi ye ti obi dam asa de agwel ko team mo ye do point de dam na ye to na ngasa no players na wo to dam no enso ye to no echi ewa mistakes bi ba na ya ko to no echi nya ye do so dam because dam no you more than 20 million or dam dam ya de be kede e boto aye wie da.
And so this weekend it will be massive at the Badwam Boxing Arena. My Asia, no partner at Simwa Yanwe, wing na insure the Badwam Boxing Arena. Rabis Magnisto Philia, Medibisi na Amaso Matwaso.
Yamma Radio Fosu 97.1 for watching. Dear Mamma more Aquaba. You don't almost say Papa Fancy, we are good more and some. Yes, so said ye, Yakano, Memenda, Badwam Arena, Honey Yesia, Branabe champions. Mobia chichira pobia ntuti mano en confuse you. Rather matter was said that so wakra mano ti Mr. Okoso akra mano sa e fama me. Enti kwasi me kwa Adom online na o de dobokra ta.
No baby aba me.
Ah dey wapa ba.
Wapa ba ode o.
Ti adomonline.com. En samo no na ye de ebe na sekunkruma na e kasa mi hu na che o. Mi hu na cha pa dey. Okay. Oni Samia nyina.
Samia,
until Saturday mi hu wo mo. O makote do do adai. Ye PSFo. Ya o munyi wo mu hu adi mra, mo mra ne hu wo.
Ko mu anka de hu a. Ye de ka especially second kuma de ye hu a. Ne hu osai to takwa me kuma. Fa hu se yese bebre. Na na nchirima na ehu no hu se na osai fotie.
Sa. Ba de da osai fo no onye kokko.
Yeah.
Aha, to kokko no pe na
e difference. Ba mpaso ne de. Paso ne de.
You know, say I can't be like my father, but I can be honest about him.
Okay.
Ti sekun kroma na kasa no kre kwesi even wa wo makra wo so ni say sa nti ano de no kre no ano wo ka no untumi nye se wo no ada e so no wo ni moja ade na nso untumi nye se wo no ti ano so ho asem enie afa ye mampani ye first lady Lordina Mahama full test Efa ne speech on the 7th UN General Assembly prayer service for children. Oba adomonline.com ewo ho. Medofo wako na kohwe mpaya oba pani adwa ama mofra nyina na wo hwe Lordina Mahama matan ne nkwada apomoden ene nwumasua de eda na koma so apomoden nwumasua matan ene nkwada eda na koma so eno na Lordina Foundation ejina ho edema nti oba wo kwaso nti anya me nwanwa se ye choose no ye choose Lordina Mahama so o mebọ mpa ye mankwada because o te nkwada ase enya ne yemu mankwa na ye ne nkura o so wo kana nafo a wo ene nkwada a wo hwe wo mo a ka wo mie wa no nkasa keke Lordina ho kwaso o papa yenti na ate ase Ewade be koso anu ahira no atere wahye wa ye nkunimdifo abribia oba pa ho kwaso mpa ye ne yasom na menso edi munti eye adwuma ye da se Ewade hwam so mfa momra enti wo ba adomonline.com asasam no wo ho and afei stop galamsey now youth march in Accra to demand immediate action to wo ba adomonline.com pictures no wo ho Wasi galamsey no ho I say I kasa keke no hey I kasa keke o
also University of Ghana Research Department for a report to be on the real impact of galamsey. I'm hoping say in Sabe Kano this week and ye ne ahwefo share that report no e bia en sheda ntiase and the next few months to come the challenges are ye many anye den and deal with the canker.
It's serious oh.
Money in me a face.
It's serious oh. I also men. I saw community we in to be into and be.
Oh, did
it's serious oh. Yeah, do
galamsey we are no. Dear ni did the
some research be by. I say be refi.
Contemporary.
Banche.
Yeah.
I am must say be. Who wants to be a
cotton at chop by winning baby a banchi free
ba.
Ni onyina yense bi pewuo one bot one round. Ni twa de ma.
Ghana 20 Ghana. Mummy nyina yen sorry o. Me afia no ntum ni enya sa ye kasa keka ase touch and go ye kaneko ye kaneko. Ye srem o mu amutu yi. Tiadomonline.com and also ewa ha. Lordina Mahama urges global action for children at UNGA prayer service. And also said Makanda no Tewu TUC Islam's breakaway unions urges junior staff to support ongoing strike. Tiano so adomonline.com sama ode baye edono.
If you ever daily graphic the bokata odo aba no so ento aso wo de penny powder Ghana Education Service Symphony aba Professor Ernest Kofi Davis efoni eniem. Or see SHS students must use harmonized prospectus. Freshers to report October 18th. It yakopon yadma October bosu me to do nwotwe. Ene mo friend afi no mo konto aso school no eco school. But GS penny e kasa say on there or say SHS ni nada. Se prospectus we di prayer kwa or say o wa say prayer prempe de prayer amani apode prayer se emfa prayer nko am obi afa prayer nko enye se fantimane fantipem se ye de beji sumye o wa as far as there be ye de pepper spread nko ha o se there be obi o say harmonize o say baako sa se bia o ti si abonte na akoto a unto wa as de na unto amani ampon de uto obi ha de pepepe na fiaro se bia se ukoye hospital do na otwe bia nipa best 20 ne ko hospital over food poisoning.
Na say galamze na bia.
Over food poisoning. Uncle Baka say wo it was read that poison food.
Yeah.
Any food poisoning. Ono maka ni nyina abom.
Maka ni nyina abom.
Yes. Say na otwe bia nipa 20.
Kwasi se uyi bia yi galamse no kura mfi no kura ya nipa no vendors no ye to aduane na kura no. Ya huni die na ti say
Afia nyame ni pani.
Ya huni die na te say.
Hwe FDF amomoni amra nipa bonefo bi sika pe bonne. Ye na afia mo de enwo na ewo fufuo nkran krodwem.
Ye de hye body na
restaurant kese bi pa ewo East Lagos so tom fufuo na de si wo 5 minutes. Wa fa se bo.
Ebe gene.
Udi fo ni si wo 5 minutes fa nkwan wo so. 5 minutes. Serious. Ubeyi ufo ni se bo. Ebo.
Ade na yedi ehu
restaurant kese pa o East Lagos.
Kese na bo.
Kese pa. Enfie penifo ni mo. Ebe sremo. Ebe sremo. Enuane amanfo bi di sika peni sika ni bre eto won kran krodwem no. Ano odin dodo.
No odin. Ese wodi hu.
Sisa ayi magini ade gugu sa.
Ko bo bi adin o sre woni di mu a.
Wona eye aduane ewo ayi restaurant outdoor nimdie papa bi a hyede ni wo ewo aduane no aho. Because ni pameti sika ko fo bi a wonya nimdie ne titie ewo aduane no atwa de kan yente no e de wo
ye.
No ko fo bi afiri ba bia no naba. Obi oye adwuma ma ayi oye aduane ma nipa miensa kra na ase ehye. So me aduane ma nipa be 1000. Ye be slave die. Aduane boni a ye di won kran krodwem no Ghana mia wodo bin eya doso dodo.
Aside no so na make us vendors no so. Crowd ye ho. Watwitwa more. Washa net, washa apron, washa gloves binum ni ade ma hu ni die nkoso. Na ye nimu ho no ma na se gata bi wo ho ye make sure say always in yatete ho. Ene baby ye no ye nuane no so ye make sure say ho so ye neat. Sometimes ko wani ko hwe kitchen ho no mo pa. Sanya aduane ne na ehye pa na ekele James na to anse pa na se wo de ne de mu onwunu kata bia kwela nko a ayam tuo nko a no bia beti sika atwa aduane
enwo ne de kan fam na kwese ne body na afra e turi fo ni si wona de eyi tawo anase tissue etoso a o maso a enwo nko a ade ni sika pe bone no no
na de esama bu nkatie ma ya nkatakwan me yanom
ade
esam
ni wo FD4 krom ha no FN to aso eti daily graphic enno daily guide NPP yensuro ehunahuna demo today.
Oh wow.
Eti enena yensuro ehunahuna.
Okay.
Eti na NPP omo demonstration ya Salah Mustafa edi enemu no. Enena ehya ase. Omo se yensuro ehunahuna. Nana Jobs Mahama over poor performance. Nana go function like kebi ache jomama yi. So mama be ya bosume nwotwe konkrin de punya mo nyomo enko ye kra. Tokonos removal as Supreme Court judge unlawful. Ansa asare enka de pepa no da ye legal profession anom ora asasa so na kasem. Ese ba toko no say ke na chief just then we say pam ne say otemua for man Ghana temodwumenkum de entweye ene Ghana mamra no ebo ebra ne fa ya akokese so command daily guide mo ka say nua George Clifford obusu ya so tina nan mo nse do Clifford
Nyame mfa okra ensi.
Nyame mfa okra. Yeah. No hwe. Obetia.
Yeah. Nyame mfa okra ensi. Emsuya so nkafra na mo nhede. Semtrefo nyina na ye die mia. Eti e kan besuya ho e me hu nyina yakọ. Kumasi bounces back after Asante Imas Funu Antafede. Kumasi say boomi bra. Kumasi asa. Esa e boomi ebiem. Daily Guide Awakata and the Catalyst. Fuel trade poised for major boost. MPA plans second berth to speed supply. Enti or the MPA penipa phone aba lawyer energy tabaclo. I say pen for the she egu akwam se na be ya Ghana fam nwudwede no e betimi atumpo akona nim ye pa. Fear grips war after ninth watchman found dead.
So no yeah.
Why Baumia faces OSP investigation over alleged corruption? The Bokatabo Amania say yesu obi atebre Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ne ko OSP onum. So be kire kwan fa so nyes ka born campaign hontoa. Mahama to address UNGA 80 on Thursday. Yakupo yad madaya wada. And a Ghana man penny His Excellency John Dramani Mama. Esbenya kwenya akasa ewo wiase man kubatan twem de kase yakoso America ememu. Eti eno so enonom. Daybreak the Bokata eniem. Health alert. Crops, fish poison in Galamsey areas. Steady for ya by say and fish ya yewi. Ghana de no ya yewi. Enimu enwane de ya yetu free yemfom no. Galamsey e seni nyina. Ewudro ya ekum nyese ya na de ewudro gumo. Nyeso bi na yakoto adwe no wa poison no. Galamsey fo ne mabɔ no odigu asase so nti no. E se yenuane, e se ye mpata ye wo yensuo mu. Tina masa wo we Ghana fish pa. Edin. E fi nyanwanwa. Nyanwanwa. Said ne ura ye dwemu a ye na eco store no. Foreign fish. Ya ne boarding a chain local ones no. Ghana for toy no more a chain local. Foreign someone boarding power. I bet twice of local fish.
So beto.
Yes.
Ni nyina ni betimi ato. Ti ya yentimento na ze ya wie.
Yes it. Yet we cause some poison ya ho sa.
Ti ne yare bebre. Hey, munya yo wate. Wo bi ti ni fie ni etu Galamsey abe fa ne dan achi a. Wate toilet so abu na gum.
Eti tam.
We.
Ade.
Ya kan o. Yo.
Eti eneso Dr. Mahmoud Baumia eko vetting.
Okay. On the face.
I think so.
Okay.
I think so. Some year we know on a bit.
Give me phone lines. Me phone number WhatsApp. 0302211701 702 703 704 0302211701 702 703 704. Enti no na kwasi wawe.
Mami fa the hawk and to asem.
Okay.
Baumia bows Akufo-Addo blows his own trumpet. Enti na another dan Akufo-Addo na ekana sebine so bi enso ntuma ahata afam wa wankasa si wade e de hata botimo bi on sampa ntuma mu ofe oso oba ye wa be ya agodie empotuma odo ye no Ghana fo nyina de enyem deja to bi enim sampa oba sebi wa be Ghana abrosa. Keeping Araba on the bench is absurd. Lawyer removed means removed, court door shut. Enti Clement Opoku Jemfi aka CID and ekase on to say odo gidi say ke yi toko no ampa eye papa say yi no so free o a Supreme Court judge is an say uchi kokwa onni nimba. Ghana Burkina forge deeper energy friendship. Ti Ghana ne Burkina Faso ayonfa no penfo hyimu kenna pa. Jobs not a state of emergency key to ending Galamsey. Orensi ana ekasa osi enyuma mmoburu benya ye na betimi aboba Galamsey tu atwa na enye state of emergency no na betimi aboba mfa the inside you never asha sefa of course Jason Osaje for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah 160 years on the unfinished revolution of African sovereignty. Ti Dr. Kwame Nkrumah na ko ti ase a enano kwese twem no nya mfinhia oha ene edu ensia na the inside the worker ebo amane ese papa ne swade won na ekita no na eso dodo na eso dodo
asemo
Medina women entrepreneurs receive 500,000 Ghana cedis boost from Julius Debra. To reach Julius Debra, so the 500,000 they see and from what emerged for song.
Ah, Medina.
Yeah, just Medina Jamu. But the word women entrepreneurs, no, and a year was in free.
Yes, sir, Pepe.
So now you say, originally from a catch and opening. Let's also support Medina entrepreneurs. So, you know, near Tesu,
a season until the man in the next one a bedroom.
I said, no, it be one when you am around this answer. 500,000.
What a money be.
To women entrepreneurs or Medina Jum. I don't see. Yeah, men entrepreneurs or Medina Jum.
What do you ever?
If you have our course
0302211701702703 Akisimi Abba. Beme na emu akwabe.
Yeah, Sister Fia mpacho majoso.
That's papa enti.
Sister Fia, amani ya wanwa se wa ho ofentu wa ha metu badin. Ukunu wanya ade e na se busuafo di ukunu 1 billion kureswa. E also 1 billion. Enya agro. Papa ko tinso o ye be ma se. Sister Fia ma me fanti akese ma Honorable Brata Samuel Abremfo MP e ma bibia ni anyaso be kwai. Na woni se woni abema kiss media me MP wo ya aja mebo na baso o ba bibie ni anyaso be kwa ya MP we nwumasua eda makoma so me no ke say books and pens wo yema wumasua wo se be kwa bibie ni anyaso be kwa no eni ese wani na galamsefo mo kon say pegalamse ne sefia yetimamfo ye ka ho bi because galamse ni bia ntimi masase so a wo hene onim hu bi galamse bia ntimi masase so a assembly matse me assist me minimum hubi anaseti mamufo yenu hubi nti yenja abane kakra na yankasa so yeti mamufo so yemfa sen yenkon ema ye ho atisi mi makra
wa okuma ye de
o mi guso mi yema fam de wo ye wia wo nya kan ye kwati nipa ni wia sefia kromana bedi watam sa galamse ba na asa so leti galamse no o bi sa me ka tiro mitimi kwati galamse fo ni e se di matem se di ma mi atam yeti mamufo na se di atam aka ho
asemo
akis na kwati galamse fo assembly ma oba wo nya hwe galamse fo be ya dia na osa tete wo mo
oya de ekoso na ye na bambo nya kese ma wo ye da say 2 pm e wo so be me na ye mo akwa be
ni aba na je so
ye da se pa oda ma ye ntie we
na ki me me yo ba 2 pm so mo asante mambo ni aba awasi damira oba asante mambo akwasi said they know see Bob Dan or Hano, the home mampon. Since in Kura Brim, I was in Judy, and 1 woman for any more. Oh, yeah, Judy, President. Now, His Excellency and another Danko Kufuado. Some more can make 2 p.m. and then Yaji because His Excellency Goodluck Obama, John Dramani, Trump, Kwame Abibu Mahama. Papa, by a family 8 months old. By I am in India as an NDP for compare 8 years. Wow, any year 8 months. Nagalam say issue ya can ye better. I was in me 2 p.m. party. I came out him for 4 him. Send a man a cassa. Yes, o 2 4, ye 2 for my also Biana. Obiada, no BNP, Obia, and Galam say issue no, Mr. President Mahama. Say a Pesasi tour. I have for no, Yama no for no form of some of them Mujima. Because we got site to be, I was yesterday and go. You better never acquire no did them.
Yeah.
Because of the insurance, you better say, now Dr. Mike, I'm a Fadankwa, I am Tina Kun, Mamma Chana no pay on and this is the man. Yamishamo.
Ako Francois, so medofo Yamuakwaba. Robert, I don't pay Yamuakwaba. Mr. Robert and Timmy and Naso. Mr. Freya, Yankasa phone, so Adoma, no low volume, no TV, no so, Eddie and Maye. To Robert Sauti and Car, Yamuakwaba. Okay, we're free so. Na, Yadi Bessina, Quasi, me Mira Sunday me video be.
Ura.
Yes.
As a Enzo.
Wawasema.
Okay.
Na, Equami Yenina.
Okay.
Me who say, Sanity. Ye minu mienu me ye fa mu ye mofra bramu nti nyame adom ye nkakra nti empese ye ma no so e be fa mu nti de nkura no bebo so bia ne aye
okay
because ye empese obakwa akoye sei okakofo bia de obaye sei
Okay.
Basa video na me tie ye hwe ye no. Rather no mom no kwasi ayem say yes enkra no mom.
Okay.
Because enkra no ombeni ma de pa omuni ma de pa. Nanso uyi nwoma suani fi wono mo a sabi akukodro ye no ni ade no ehu ni suro na achi akora no.
Okay.
Because onfa bibia wonya osi wo peweni ade ama no.
Okay.
Osi wo okọ party ni ya wono ni akosi no like ye mana ye comfortable.
Yeah.
Because ye nya ne saa wo ben nante saa na ma me ni busa say de wo fa mu no ena ku ana enkuyen na emu ma ye ndey ahye ye ndin ti de me so kakra me hua ya me ka ne say enkura no ye mo nya de.
Okay.
Ye ni adaje na me gina ha akwasi nsu gina ha yi enti ede ya wo benya na ne bi wo fi obehwe nkura no eno nso nkire se nkwada no ye nya wom no mo na saa
to ma saram saa
dabi daachi onhwe asankura we benyina saa bebo ye nsobo
yeah
ma kura ne mpepa wontwitwi ne bat house wodidi wi a wontwitwi ne bo mu like oko school ba ma kura ne nya kura nani ne wo ho
discipline bimbra na brabo discipline bimbra na brabo
no hunu se bibia nya from saa
wo se NF to bia na ma nkura ne bi enyi na so paade ne wa anya na adwen se wiase di na bro
saa
because no tene ma me ne papa nchen embre bi atwam no na obi sa ya na ne nsaka yes yes nyame ye wade to nsem na so hod mu a obeboa ma aba no so ati etumpo but sometimes nyankopɔ kra de fm nyene bia na ehwe be bia nsaka na at a particular time sometimes nipa no nkasa hunu se nye bibia a ope bia na sabeka at that moment na open just on sanka so beti asesa wa appreciate abrabo ne ye eyi ani bre pesame nkuminya efiri na abrabo ohunu se enne afia na enya se ye de nko afia nya de ye de am so be du so bi se man kra ya kra ntete ye ne afia ka so ko kan wasemu a
ebe ya se enye late enye late kra
onabo asiedu
ono asiedu na Yusuf
onabo asiedu
onabo ya mwakwa aba
mini afia me joso
eda se pa
do be bia ni anwa so be kwai NDC organizer onabo asiedu
onabo etio
ofakwasi
onabo
so ho ye de
nyame adome ho ye pa
me boma baso pa ne mo nkura nhesem ne arechichire nsem ene fia hunu ne ntiti ya ya mo de ma Ghana fo nyina no pedia na we de national chairman Honorable Johnson asiedu nketia na no pe me bona baso
okay
ifanse papa na ebedi NDC nim okunini anase party no titre ni national chairman 2022 ansan kurampo ni yeba be yi fagbera his excellency Jamani Mahama di yakwakono ya papa e di atono nso se NDC anwane de yakọ akwada Ghana foase na party executives ankasa wo mie bibri ya police station friends electoral areas any constituency levels no was so no kwada executives say some of to abama na ni yenyi ye MPs
ono bo yenyi ntiem na yemre na so wadaroma
o fache ochina na atu aso de free my wife fache pa nyebo apa
why me na so fache ye na ne kasa ne tenten ne so resi edu nketia
thank you to na okon ne papa mu
why are you fancy ha yeda mo asepa wiki mu paresthesia ho komo ene yedi e wo health tips no so wadaroma nyi free ha ne tie bi ebeboa wo pa na wo so de aboa wo bi a wanya ho sebe ye ochena be ka kire no nti meni akwasi ye tenase ne de health tips no atwaso amemu akwa benda so Adom TV Badwam health tips so aha na yedi nkomo simenum 5 minutes from juada de kosi efiada ye chekura nti menyi free ha na wotwe mu paresthesia ho nsem ne ye ken doctor burning sensation wabone to fan run then so ye to so ahwe why ne betumi anya sa condition ebi dog ya na se
asidanya
da se paresthesia
yo ye ka se paresthesia eno a yedi ho nkomo ne ye ka se honam hyehye na honam hyehye no ye ka ye ne ye se timba honam duane ba bia ebetuma ma obi wa ne trim ne be hyehye no obu a ne nsa ho obu ani sisim obu ani nan ho eno nyina no ade a yebeka se paresthesia obi so ho ane de no ema ne honam dua ne mu na keka no obu a se de mpane ne wo ne honam dua no obu a ne ho twetwetwe no obu a wonya pulling pains obu a bibi ne nam ne honam dua ne se de moawa bi anasa sonsono ena wo honam dua ne obu a na ne honam mu aye ne cold ofele bibi sa obu a na se de light bi na kikiki no na ne honam ba bi wo so ni nyina ne beka se wonya bibi efense paresthesia na en obi a obetimanya yade ne bi eye se first of all wo obi a wo diabetes mojabroso the virtue say wo mojabroso se wan regulating yi a se wo moja ne kosoro bebre a ye beka se wonya bibi efense hyperglycemia eno no ebetete wo nerves na kora ena wonya bibi efense hypoglycemia there's a moja na a drop below the normal range and so ebetuma ma hohye e de ababeso yo obi a wo too stressful obi a wo too stressful wo betuma nya hohye ya de enti na sa wo study a eda wo ba very stressful eda ebi a wo appointment bi traffic bi wo kwan mu school fees bi esikasem bi obi de wo ka bi adwuma mu kura wo master bi chese de wo ye bia na wo ya na ya bo se that day no bo se wo ha na wona ho ahye
free bi kura be
free asase bi correct enti obi a sa stress no etoa so over a period of time akonya sa medical condition bi a ye fe ne se paresthesia ahohye ya de aba beto so ya wo ya de be ka ne se autoimmune deficiency syndrome autoimmune ne se wa hunam dua no akwa awa na ye fe ne se immune system no eno ahu body organs ni bi se eye foreign intruder ohunu se yade na eba etu ohunu nerves no a ohunu se eye intruder bi yade bi na eba o de beje no eti yade bi se lupus yade bi se arthritis yade bi se rheumatoid arthritis ne sa no mani nyina no eye autoimmune conditions sa yade no wo sa yade ni bia yade e fe ne se ahohye yade ubetimi ye dey enya obi ani mfie kwa animu once ya wunyini there's going to be wear and tear boni beka no say degeneration ubenya wear and tear na wear and tear na wunya no enti na obozo mudru menopause a obi enya be 55 years 60 years ya na wo se me ho hyehye me wo nyini obi enya be 60 years 70 years mema no wo se me ho hyehye me eye wear and tear nti obi bendu that stage most wakonya bibi spine problem wanya sisia ni nyina no etimi kofa ade a ye fe ne se paresthesia eba beso ye enuane a ye ne di ye enuane asade won bebre enuane a ewo deficiency in bibi e can say vitamin B12 any B6 nyina no etimi ema wakonya ade a fe ne se burning sensation end point ene ha ne de enkomo ne besie so any of these conditions anase wo prostate mo pese obeye free prostate scanning ana wo mu scanning ana yade ya yedi nkoma ahohye yade ibidi a fa number no ne frɛ yen 0244 86 70 68 0244 86 70 68
Dada say Dr. Dubois na yete den kano we odi abe level ti e de ya bi ana wo fam e so frɛ no na onto asoma na kwaje hu aduro no ntem na ukọ ho no manye aduro yeton ukọ ne hospital na clinic ho a o mehwe ofan o chena nso sabre ya don hwe ya na simei na wakan ho ne ato aso paresthesia no medi afia amankwa tamaklo yedase yemu akwa babie me ya Adom TV Badwam na uguso ehwe no mra no wadaje a wodi amayenti yedase papa health tips no so nyamishra mo sem gusua ya mo hwe ye gusua ye de apomudi mu nsam no ebro mame ena majoy trish ase ntade kama fefefe ene hemesa no me de omo se papa na ye gusua ye kai mo se cervical cancer ye silent killer ye titi we se hye hu kura wu hunu na ye human papilloma virus infection wono na okofa de brace ati we ye se mema na ne kofa rom da we mal asemo na the sadun tino yade se ye mofra mayo no kuma no omo ye virgins no 9 to 14 years no ye be ma wo mo sa vaccine bi ye be bo mo sa mpane no na bo mo ho ban afrisa yare mu wo mo nkwa na nyinara ti peki wo mo from the scratch no ya bo mo ho ban afrisa yare we ho hyase 7th to 11th October next month 7th to 11th October a free safe ti about time omebeba schools no ene miamia hodo bi mu no ma bebo mmofra no sa empane no bi so mo me nyina yan support na cervical cancer no so odi awu pa mesra mo mpanimfo no mo te say ye ma ya wo no de so ya akọ na kọhwe wa wo de na no se no ho te say aha na ehon so pane bi wo ho no ma ye bo ne abo ye ho ban eno no nche se eno anu no na nso so ya kọhwe se bi ni ho a nso abo ho ban sara mpanimfo de ye beji musika ba nkra yi die 9 to 14 years starting the 7th to 11th October ne de free Ghana Health Service ne Ministry of Health omo agencies na ka boma omo de adoye kamen ma yenti about time wo ba you bia 9 years to 14 years 7 to 11th October Mr. Nina bro nye mo sa mo fra no ho ban emfiri sa akokra meto ma awodie no ano no ye mo ye ho ban Adom TV wazo ye bedwam bibia pomudi bia na ye de bro ne du binada senso a eye faith homeopathic clinic won so ba ene ebedi apomuden ho nkomo na eye meda dodo kane tetetete na nte saa o so benya doctors no ma ba no mo abemma education free no asade ne number amount mesro ye ntie wo mo ate emma no nye so ye tuatua waso na yare eye o sa wonyare ye a ene etuatua waso ba se kakra bi afo ani so da wokra na abɛwra so sa nka de bia nka so so de nka eni apomuden ho nkomo a ti mesro Dr. Boatente ha ya ene osumi we nso unim se mema no ya kan say adana nyomo wo maso mebo a nti mo nkoye ya be koso aka ko ye wo few ones bia until that but ote ye no ano otu ho anamo prostate cancer serious o abubu obi da dam sisi a make say abubu no prostate no na problem aba ho no wanhwe na cancer de no ho abagimo enta ho ma cancer na ma a cancer no ho dene be hwe no adwane akwa ada cells no adwane akwa ha no akwa ha doc am akwa be ena mo ase
ye da se
so mo si ho na mo boaye
sanity
de ya ye wo mo betie
sa pepe step
obi wa wontie nti ono sa na ye ja na chidi me boys ya me no mo ha
o mo ntie o
mo ba de bia o mo ko check you
zao
maka mabre Adom because someone because o use machine bebre o have sense no anu nti eda ni tirim
oh there and so effect bibia o effect enti no ni nyina ni so betu na
prostate cancer prostate ni dia
yo mame na wase na menchia wahwefo na menchia Faith Homeopathic Clinic doctor say wo ho nyina enkeka mama Faith yeah aha ye chia ne pa Dr. Abigail so wo chia
me je no so ya o mra ne ho ache
anope of frame is obeba me mfa ne chia ma obeba nti Dr. Abigail sister via so hwo anim na obi a wo akra ha bia no momodi anso obekwa ko Dr. Abigail na ye nhwe ne nipadua enkenka se de wo kan ne prostate no na ye nhwe wo how bia wo ho bia na ye nhwe se ye bebo modia atu ase afiri ho no mama sister via ebiemu nso no ye nna nyame ase Faith Homeopathic Clinic Saturday ye twa mu ya no ye koje awards 2 ewo Takrade Western region a branch no Takrade branch ya na afibia omoye Western Regional Business Awards no regional minister ne we no ana ekabum ehwe Western region na businesses wo ho no no modern bo mo de boa region no ene ade nti ya o mo bo mabaso ye denya me ase Faith Homeopathic Clinic ye branch wo Western region ye Takrade no omoma ye best homeopathic ye denya me ase omoma ye best homeopathic clinic of the year as pe almost ama ye best fertility specialist hospital of the year meaning say adansia Faith Homeopathic Clinic eba especially one award some enso eyom problem na nyame nam ye so aboom omo na edi ho adanse ama organizers no ehu nyuma pa Faith Homeopathic Clinic ye dia omo nam so ama yen abasobode ye de nyame ase ye da yen ayarefo nso eba ho nyina ye wakesi nyina ye da omo ase se oba na sebe onya hoto a ono nso emfant na odi ho adanse e kire nkrofo na won so atu anamo aba eno nti na da ye ba wa fidie so a ye bo ho dawro kire nkrofo se e wo so mutu anamo e ba fit homeopathic clinic because adanse ne doso sebe enye de ye kan nko a bibia yare bia e ha obia no o de ba fit homeopathic clinic ye boaw etu ase eno nti no obia ba onya adanse de e wo ho Stefia ye mla o question na obisa ye no about the prostate no sister Fia said ya wudi kan kasa no na o kan bibi se onyare da se be ohu ha wa yare sitie na last time in Bekan wa say ye papa ba ko ba ye hono mu na ye papa ono de o se we nya symptom bia all of a sudden o sorry anopa na okojonso na ontumi enjonso na papa ba na o hwe sebe air condition e wodem honum na papa yi sweat na ne mai asusu ni mu chese wakogina for so many minutes Johnson no into member sister Fia enye easy sebe oye be makra na se otekem me fan say passengers cam na Johnson do na car ni ngina ba bi ma look at how wa feel with your abdomen said your abdomen unya pains sometimes could to me my burning sensation could to me about be because of say to me release this urine no e very painful and unti no me man mam ye ntena ho no mo emfa ni agro se prostate no ekoye cancer so dia etumi di wo how bebre etumi e de brel se de wo kan ye ka se prostate a eye ade a ye mema ne nko na wo ye ho da no ye ma me bi ba o se doctor mpese mo hwe me prostate na ma me na me so mama mema no ema no any prostate eye mema na wo prostate o mete nchire bi o so nchire bi o radio so ka se ema no nso nyina wo prostate but me nim ba bi o ti ni free eti ye ma me so hwe ya na o ye oba wo hwe ya oba ni prostate be ma nko a na wo prostate because prostate no eboa yen ewo obema sebe ohunsu a eba no prostate nso eyi nsuo bi de fra nsuo no ema sperm no tumi swimu yie ekọ oba no awodie num eno nti eboa yen wo saa ade no eho na prostate no ye hwe a ewo ye in between your friends o testis no ne o bladder no entemo na eho no mo na your friend say urethra no eye ojonso atwa no efam efa o prostate no na jonso atwa eno na ojonso fam eno na sebe ohunsu obema o sperms efam eba etino saa urethra se prostate no kape eno nso eho etumika eno ntina obi prostate eye kese eye cancers eye inflame a ubon se na ne jonso sem no so no problem etumi abam afei obema sem so no etumi affect no ohunsuo eba ne ade obi wa asabi otumi ne oba ehia na ne hunsuo no sperms no etumi emma edu se eba o ti severe pain e na yas because prostate na here enlarge ama urethra no aclose tubons na sperms no entumi emba ni nyina no eye sensuanso ana symptoms a se obi nya prostate problem a etumi ede ebre no na se de ye bo ho dawro na yesre yenua mema ye papanom obi enya free at the age of 40 years kwa was so oma wani about prostate ho because naturally during that age prostate started say large small but when there is a problem obi infections be untreated infection when your infections be for a long time e bia when treat ne ye ana say or no mundro bi ofi say ekọ but na ade no ewo ho a edi ninya eno etumi ma prostate no etumi overenlarge etumi inflame no eye kese e basa na etumi said America no jonso atwa no etumi eka no etwom na afei ama jonso no e the problem ba se ekoye cancer so said na my sister eka no cancer no ebetumi a travel to other organs a eye around the prostate no etumi ekọ blood anim na o blood anim so abenya cancer cells afei etumi call your friend is saying other organs o kidney ne other organs around the prostate no na afei e de saa o how we nyina etumi e de bre nipadua no na ebasa na eye very dangerous mema bebre sebe because of prostate cancer ye wompanifo bebra sebe enam prostate cancer so ana ofri mo e bia wo hwe yen ana wotie yen yesro emane nru sa stage no o Johnson ohun se Johnson no e ban tentem this time otumi sorry be 4 5 times 6 times in a night bomodia se obetumi akofate homeopathic clinic ye branch bia na yen check o prostate no ema afi ojo nso a wo hu se pains kakra ewo lower abdomen or ana wa ya ase ho no mo me pa cho me mfa ntena fie e bia prostate no ho na aka unya burning sensation ana ojo nso a wo ti se emu no eye wo ya sometimes ibi wa wo kugina ho it take few minutes ana say it take some time and sana Johnson no aflow Johnson no eba wotumi say pressure wo Johnson no mu no e wo form pa Mr. memfa eni agro bomodia sa obekọ faith homeopathic clinic ye branch bia ebe ho bia na yen check o prostate no ema na yen hwe o prostate na hoden na afei yen nyina so ema wonupa ebeboa na meka infection asem obi wo wa infection and wanom no bebre but still onya ebia the kind of infection and the type of infection how no unhui ana watumi anom ho adro faith homeopathic clinic de eboa yen ema yetumi tu yare asene se ye hwehwemu pa na ye hu the root cause of the condition ye hwe se yare na wo de bae no ye behu ade cropotia e de yare no e bae ansa ana yetumi a start treatment ase enu nti na obi biara obeba fit homeopathic clinic no within short time ubon se na onya adance die ana onya improvement e wo ne yare no because ye mfa dro no e ma prekopa ye hwe se ye behu de e de yare ne bae ansa na ya manho adro na make fertility asem yes ro ano emema no momodi ansem beba nyame adom ye ma ye ho award adansidie ni doso sebi obi wa sitafia wako hospital ya ye nhwehwemu aye bibia ye ti oni problem bia awo ne ba na emba eno wo ho obi wo ho no mo a oni problem bia ne kru ni problem bia but awo ne emma eno wo ho but oba faith homeopathic clinic na se ye hwehwe ni padiem na ye hu se there is a cause to infertility na ya beboa na ya hwe se ya bema wonupa e beboa atu ase afiri honum ya re bia betena woni paduam no mesro me mfa ntena fie bomodia se obetu anamon na waba ya so ye honum na ya hwe ya re no fare ba na yetu ase afiri ho ya so fa ye number no na frɛ ye ye bia ye branch bia be hu bia bomodia se obekɔ akra anum ye wo eye so utum eye udu abuya junction honum a ye wo honum a ye bo adwuma dendenden wo honum udu abuya jansha obusu bia sa ukọ fit homeopathic clinic a obechiro udu kumase nso aye wahene makokobin 18 mu honomo a honomo nso ye bo adwuma wo honomo afei takrade nso ye wo anaje police station aje send the police station first junction on your right ubehu faith Koforidia nso ye wo Pole Junction Landry Managers Road ha ye wo honom ana afei bogo so nso no ye wo old aseda ye boga abronsa no echi ho pe ho ana ye di adwuma number no ye 0540 710 940 0540 710 940 and I say 0547 5784 94 0547 5784 94 Dr. Abigail said bra na be check your prostate no ye free screening obe check ya ye juice ka bia
yeah that's a Faith Homeopathic Clinic na what say Dr. Boateng Kano Mr. number na wo screen na se no fa na frɛ ya ma ode no so eno nkyɛ sɛ wo muntimi nye wo fa number na bibia ha bia no ye clinic nti ukɔ no ma doctor fo no ho a ɔmo bɛ hwɛ me ba sisi na ye ba ɛbɛtɔ so so yen samu akwa ba bia me Adom TV Badwam na oguso ɛhwɛ no umre no wada agenti ye da se na enkomo a yedru so no die wadaroma enfiri ha na tie na ye nyina na yakasa na yeguso na ye kasa na omayo madwen se wonu mu ntie tie ne no ebia na ye de ye kana ni so akeke na galamse se yensu ni se yensu ye o shi no kura no anya kefu anu so beti esim afi o kra aduane na ma we se se me kai ade na mu na se kai ade na se de ye kana kura ye ni so keke but utie de mpanufo yi kan so a eno so ye point shape no se nam so ne so na eba ye de galamse ne se no a eduro bi a wo se ye de ba o men bebo apomuden no yenya aduane bi a wo se ye de ba no yenya nyina aka ho nti se galamse no de enti me ka say no enyumakuo mienu onwa ye wo ma dwen se wo mo ba kire bibi kakra se be ya ye nyina ye beda ye ho eso ye wo democracy hub e wo ho ya wo no mo march against galamse say ye water bodies no na ye the other group on so a Ghana Maritime Authority one nso anim kokoo ahodo bi me hu ye kra Bastop Boys yi ka ho Black Rasta no ka ho ne ade a one mu nyina ka bomu na one mu amachi atwe adwen esi bibi so say ye ka o and why adwen say untie because they say abe normal ade achi bi out galamsey nti aba be normal nti say kuoi and wo maye ne say wo mo ka bom no maboye na say na me ka shipping ne ho ensensemo no sorry yes be 80% of yen trading no dodo no a free nkrofo amanso na ebe yen so ye de bi ye kokoo no e de ya ye de nkrofo amanso ye cashew no ye de nkrofo amanso na ye say galamsey yi say ya ye say didi komu be de de akọ se ye de ka kwa say me say be 10 years ni enu ti gi se nsuo no aso a na ye befa ti a serious issue eno na nkuo yi mienu aka won ho abomu a enne won mo e kire bibi kakra ni nyina no eye day a ye de asi ho World Maritime Day a theme no eye our ocean, our obligation, our opportunity to explore ama brofo no abadodo a problem na menya ma so no e wo hase ya mo ba beboa yem pa Mrs. Gertrude Adwoa ohene asi anim obapa emwakwaba esi anim ampa udini ya mededodo esi anim ono na ya president edema eye Westa na say WIST edine de Westa sa Westa no eye
Women International Shipping and Trading Association.
Wow. To more a president no na fe principal environment officer awono wo Ghana Maritime Authority Catherine Oponje enso ha oba wonkwaso yeda mo se papa so ze mana ade ye ho agimo the moment a mad wo ho bagimo no it means asam na aginsem because a mad ye ntamba ya na ye time ma no achi but so be free be ma na achi no no akasa betena mu a na ye se e yade ye wo se ye nyina no eye asudie ede emma ye nti mamenko Gertrude ho na ye musa the nti ene wo se ye worried about ye ocean no mining and I say illegal mining SSS ye nsuwa no ede nti ene wo se ma ye gina sa apon yi ano
me dance me nuaba em say wudi kan o kan sem bia na ye mede pa ye say eniema ubehu ofie office ha ya be me ba na me reception o me hwe dispenser me hwe mo TV mo nkonwa ni nyina na me poso na ba saa na ye niema ye duedua koko tashu ni niema ye de fa poso na ekọ ye de epo ye niema bebre ye nyina ye pe beach kọ ye ko dware ye nya ye petrol ye tu a ye de tu ye nya wepum enchene eniema bebre uko nkrokro bebre so a bebe efe pa ye nsu ano cause obi kra tumi kotena nsu ano wonya na somdwe no de atworo book na ne ayeye wasase su bia no it ends up in the oceans eko epuno enkofo bebre ye ne ma bia omo ndwen ho se o nsu oto behwe na obi akohwie ne nra egu gatem ni nyina eko ehoro ko na akogu epunim saa na yetoto plastics egu abonten a eko rivers ni ade a ye hu nsuo bebre ye hu no eko bopo nim nti se ye tu galamsey ewo ye nsuo no brimu ni ade ni mu a ni nyina san ko bopo nim na sepo no beye bosumi ni ye kola body beach obi antumi enware na wako beach na wantumi enware na ne okoye de ye nyina ye tete ho ye nan kra ye mpese nsuo no beka because nsuo na ye tan na ne ye de ba bia plastics bebre ni niema bebre se sane ma nyina ekogu pudima se obie wo sewage na ekogu pudima fish enam na wo
eno na obedie
ombedie ne yesu akwato ne ayeden ne yedi intino ye indirectly no ye yapomuden untu na nse obehwa ye se water shock adentina water shock akola kitikiti ya na se be mu a na se biota fracha yare bi a ye nim baby fiber sa chemicals ni niam bebre a ye tutugu pom nsuo mu a ye dwen se enko ba bia kopo nim ye wi a ni ya san di enam ni niam na ukodware a kakra be ko wanum na wanom na affect your health woni ama bebre wo system enye no nkwa na affect ensuo no so ndwumadie bebre aye abobo so it say ship a ede ne ama ebre yen say ship yi propeller na bibi koloke na betumi akosi accident kesi bebre na de ohaw kesi abre ye fisherman yi a ekoyi nam ne ade ensuo yi so a no mo ne nam ye mai bi kra ye huom ewo voter like iso ne ade a omudidi omo papa ne machi ekwade nti say ya moye nsuo ho ban a yes nsuo e life water is life nti ya moye nsuo ho ban a ebedum rebe ne ya ho be kire be mobo pa so man
pa
nti anu nti na mai yetu ye ho asim se ene maritime for ye nso ye mamate ye ne se enye eyi rivers ne keke na mo ye mpo no so ye bo ho ban
why are the nti de mamemra principal environment officer no Ghana maritime ke Catherine opon agi ho aside mutu ye mfo mo ne ye kasa no ne ade no enforcement e kwan be na mo faso ya kan kama president akana asemi enforcement no to say
I'm say dia menu abedi nkan kano pollution no e ade a e ha adwen yie enti waka efa ba ko bi efa ba ko nso so ye ships na eba no one more so to me pollute insuo no because ship no enipa yeso adwuma no omo generate waste e wo so nti wo be hu ane so omo so omo ato agu insuo ni mu enti eno so ka enforcement ayeye no ho enti ye monitor ne ya hwe say ships na eba no enwura dodo depending on enipa dodo a e wo so no enwura sen ana dodo sen enti wo ba porter say how na ba be yi niema no enti ye wo reception facilities e wo se wo yi wo nwura ne de gum e ho no de ye nim se ya boa no ye nim ba bia eko sense wo be boa no wo ship ne so no wa hwie agu eponi mu enti ye monitoring wo ships da de niema no eba no ye wo officers omoko insuone so ye wo yan boats ye de ko insuone so ne ade ekohwe sa niema ni nyina
nti yenwe mfaso de be na wo businessman ana yes nyumeru anu a wo mo hwe sa be mfaso be pa na wo so se yen nyina yen kamo ne yen protect epo no
so pesa be existed there na just obeka say epo so ni mfaso ma because company bia ni ho a enya mfaso de emfi shipping ana say epo so because any american yen if say 80% of niama ye use wo ye fie ni baby e na mepo so na eba dia now say every business must be concerned and as I say no ye hwe niama ebema green or blue economy it niama ebema sustainable shipping into there na obetumi aye as a business now we factor in sustainable shipping ye nyina ye jai plastic niama use ni e paper and ye use niama ebebo renewable energies niama ebeboa ama ye save epo no nti ye bo businesses in kai say so the usika share sustainable shipping mo ebeboa ama ye nyina because epo no nyame na boy or say the sea says and he made it nti no oboma ye nyina se ye nyusu ni enjama enchirima no mo so meden be use nti no e was a business bia most of the time we be hwekora businesses no ye recycling e office ye wo bin a ye de plastic gum ye wo de paper gum ye wo de aduane gum enso zoom line oba no sesa ye hwe ni nyina afra enti no sustainable no ye wo office pe elu abonti enti no we all have your responsibility education no ye trem no obia ti enti obia betumi aye ne chefa kakra wa bia o sewage e wo dan achi atu gata dem kona kosi afafa the right channel eyema me yembeyi sa ye nyina nkakra ebetumi abo ama nnwuma tumpon se nnwuma ntupon a ye manya nnwuma nye na yes sa netie ntino eniema ne ba ye maame mu kofa niema na omo so maton obi ene eyi obi ene kraba ni nyina ye nnwuma businesses sa edisika mba and you know, most of the revenues we generate too are from our ports and from shipping.
Na ayi NV Esther Oklui ye hu esomfo so pa ye de ebebre ye asoman ene senti a e wo se nkoma ye di nyina obi a yenya baako yi MV Benjamin baako yi de say ni edi ye dede ene ne ye sensuo ye nyame adom yenya afufure esomfo so ne senti a wo se ye nyina no ye ka bom ye mo ye nsuo yi ehuban.
Okay, inti afana ships na omo adwuma a omo die wo nsuo ne so no omo tumi expel oil in their operations. If one so accident, so one say ship bi ni ship bia ko shia collision na ama oil spillage aba. Enti as to clue no na adwuma a oil no oil spill response vessel. Say in case say ye nya enti ya bibi say sia ye mobilize ya na che say a dedicated boat a ye de kwa ye say adwuma no. Ewo ehun akade all the capabilities are to me the cleaning nsuo no oil no free nsuo nani nti e no so boa e wo sa kwan ne so said e di nkan dada no say yen yedwumedi a ye di wasase so a ye de boiler ne waste ne ade ko wie mu no ships ne so wo mu dia o mu so o mu spill oil wa bra o mu ye o mu adwuma na say wa bra accident esi
wow
nti sa ne ma no e no na estoklu no e boa e ma etumi aye
e do mo se ye nyina ye na still ye says na machire e se no nti ye kwa ne asabesi echi ye kwa ne asabesi echi but amaya ba mu ide e be bo nti West Ghana directly no e dey na mo ye dey a support GMA as in Ghana Maritime Authority na ye nkomwe etimi akwachiri
nti West Ghana ye ne GMA aka bom na watri mo say ye di World Maritime Day a 3-day program. Ye sha se ne nti se ne ohwe a ya hye ye t-shirt fefe ya ye ho aye fi ye fie pa ye ko manchagbo na ye ko habo ho ne fishermen akokasa fishmongers no ye ma me no mo ne ade akokasa about sustainable shipping ne se ne ombetumi abo epo ne ho ban sa na ochina nso so ye clean up e wo Mighty Beach na ye be crown ne nyina on Thursday, World Maritime Day, Nankasa, Thursday 25th. Neno so yabodwa kese wotema. Intino ye leading advocacy. Say ne nkofo kasa about how to maintain sene be bo epo ene ye nsuo nyina ho ban na yetumi de ayeniama papa nsuo eyefe nsuo ema ahoden nsuo ma asomdwe nsuo ma ahoto nti se boy nsuo ho ban a ma promu kra nso ye fe de se ne na omo ye Olympics se ne France nsuo ye da omu kro mu ya nkofo de ye sport ye nyina ne ani age na ho nti omo sha diving stadium no around you see where the water is baby ameko bia ho ye fe baby nsuo wo no ma promu ye fe nti nsuo de and what's the idea agro and what's the map politics ba nsuo maintenance ni nsuo bambo ho what's the nyina idea hu ji wo your ba wo your bemmo wo your kola wo your penny because hu hia say apomuden I say pollution in the sea is directly by man nti ya na ya no na ese ye nsuo and then it comes back to help impair on our health nti no say yan hwe ya say biota frache ye hwe ase if you say nyar wa boni ebe say enti empathy bebre
akra ya won de bia me kasa asemi ready for me me say etia na ni na chese basa
chemicals ni niamma bebre enye ne mfom so ase ye wo no tu nsuo mu anase bibi enso ne livelihood nyina is around enti ebe better say you be protect the livelihood fishing those who deal with processing it and others you be resource omo you be educate omo no mbetumi ejina omo na asumom no ma protect yensuo na man
mamemra catching ho na yenhwe coastal communities no mo nso enforcement yew yejina mu na ho na ekosai
sabi penifo ka se wonsom oni nipa enti ye kwa ye be nyina nipa na a creative problem no nipa nso na be solve enti no na we say yetumi nya obiara on board na coastal communities na nso so mo ye key because wo tinsuo na no na eponeso adwuma na mo ye nsuo ne ho adwuma na mo ye enti abrebia o say ye make sure say bibia ye no ye involve omo se na be ya efin a ye ken omo nso so be susu omo niam a omo ye no omo be hu say epui eno amu ne ye nya enam ede hwe ye ho ne yabusua ma oman ne nso so nya sika ewo mu na se na be ya omo nso so be hwe se omo mfa enwura engu eponimu nti sa education no exactly
osi ho na mframa no
sa pepe enti sa education no eno na ye ne coastal communities no have and afa nso so Christians so omo nso na wo ho no omo to me serve as watchdog enti se bibi kra koso a omo to be yi authority na asutri ema ye nso sie to me etu ho anamon
Emra no esun ti mefa emra president ho ye kasa yi se emma we bia ni age ho nso pese omu wura maritime ne mu na say career no de na meye se be ye wono so betimi aba bedru e bia mo ma ba bedru
maritime careers ye obebre ade ye epuso adwuma man ye dene se epuso adwuma ye varied boring be answer nim because every day comes with its own challenges. You're freight forwarders, you're ship brokers, you're maritime consultants, you're maritime lawyers, you're marine insurance experts, you're oceanographers, you're port agents, environmental marine environmentalist any baby na you're seafarers omo ye adwuma wo ships ne so ankasa ne ade nti stevedores bebre nti no epo emu ne amade ede ne ama bebre careers bebre nti so wo remi na so we are interested in maritime careers you are aspiring to in the right thing and ade dey about maritime adwuma ne say we adwuma wo maritime we local champion we international champion because we are free for that kind of phone FOB wo abrochire say make good say ba when you adam for Singapore when you adam for Malaysia when you adam for China into the international levels na
ye no so pa anti getting for the last year the message na yemfe nkomo yinsi
yes message na dey very clear said there can evidence na ye nyina ye hu said there ye nsuo any asay ne yare hodo a ekoso evidence no ewo ho nti also ye nyina ye ya sede ne titiru ene companies a ye adwuma ewo industry ni mu no ports de ba shipping ni wona ewo se ye nyina ye kan ye ho bom se wo ba be ye adwuma na ye ma obi bia e frɛ no environmental compliance certificate nti ye gi a wo as a business ewo se wo say you are making a commitment not just to ejuma wo ye no but to the whole country so we be bo insuo ne ho ban na say de wo ye nyina na environment e be ye key e wo mu
president ye nyina fancy ha next time ye nto be 20 minutes ni by da masepa de mo be kan ejidi ye se Ghana fo ye nyina ye be som na de edu so no ahosepe mambotma ye krado ya wode ahosepe to so ye wie pepepa ye be sa to so na ye de yenkom ye kwaba
if you man kwata ba da say pa Badwam ahusepeni portions restaurant live and I as a bro wo fie hono me no the Fancy Doll president for the Brothers and Sisters Association and the penya me here na Adom or the Adom abadomodo ema Adom absoma to heneza no yatsna ase na in the Miss favorite personality knows a bro onye ho kra onye screen si do yata anye na kasa papa na obi painful so that obi obofu de pa bia wo pie nitu katasa so no the mama is or your mama me preoccupy edwuma pampoten so no ye ntina bre na bibia no oje ma pa no so dem best no kitchen e cheese zon PSA star na oye me guest new song no e nyame ye me ye shop that enyum no wo baby a wafa baby a ntina ye no nkomo no masa nkomo no nwa kakra nkomo bia me nyim gbada na mpeda me no bo ntina wo bi alope good morning and no why e fe wo
me das what man
edwuma no so ze eri yankasa
praise God
nyame ase papa nyame ye hiri edwuma bebre but before me nyobo twetwe nyame ye no ho nkomo no ma nde yenka ebusuasam
okay
me who the kwabrochi for some time and e so anyo ma me kwai
that's right
say me read what captions because I am sometimes no as some no caption mo e onyi made video na picture no sometimes no as some no comment section
that's right
e no komo no no now I am very excited.
Yeah.
They to me home me. And it one me pede paint a picture the chum o papa we hin and o mama have a role in the way play or life.
Yeah. Me da se pa but mama menchia ye Adom ahwefo nyina na me na o mase. Se o magibre na anopai wo mu ehwe ye. Me mama we play role kese as a mother in my life there. So we who say PSC mete ha say ya na eche say me mama will play a major role in my life. Every papa there or me no ka say me say o free mu 10 years.
Wow.
Kra mu eni. Na me mama has been a pillar in our life because abrabono de bia PSC ma come nsem bebre nti PSC story dey.
Wow.
De bia obia enim. Na me mama enwenta so a wo weta so nti na ma PSC bi kranka me ka me kurom ho esan se me mama hwe hu se na omo yekua na wo ye do yes na me mama hwe hu se wa wo mofra enum na ohwe de we a ekurase ho bre no wo free school ba na wa besia kwa afuom I mean na your life ni na sa na e busy mi wa se na me wo minuanum bi wo hon de no nyame ya wa adoma anya maame ma de maame nuanum ma ne de na omo okurum enti wo hwa na me maame nko a na ewo akurase a one ne ma ne nyina
ewo akurase
ho nti me maame kan one day say wan hwe na wantu ana mo bia ne ma ne nyina brabo ebeka akurase ho nti me maame na damfo ne nam ena omuhia woman bi ono oti kumase na maame adamfo ne mum ena nim maame no nti omo bo anan saa no omuhia maame no ena maame ne ebo maame adamfo na mane ese ma invite wo de akurase hatena ye wode wo because ma invite wo several times e besra bi kumase o mada na maame ne ka se o me ma ne ntia na me ntimi nya wo ho entu kwan nti o kan saa pe na me maame onim maame ne baabia ena okache me maame kache maame ne se maame o made ya ne me de ya meba
wow
yes nti o kan sa na maame ne so kas oh ya abra wo de o ya ready ya abra o cheche ne baabia wote so one day me kai se ye wo ho no na maame ka se obekokumase so we were wondering say maame kokumase de ehe no okotena ehe no okọ na maame tu kwan that time me kai ne bag bia ne efe ne ma ye bag no ye de aduane sim de make ye de aduane sim a say o de aduane tete o de aduane koma wukuna na o de lace akata so yes me kai na maame bebo ne ntoma ba ko mienu bi gumu na o de lace kata so nti ahomache no ye ne age maame kokumase na maame ko fa papa na o de kokumase na no kwasem ni nyame anim ne se botma na me dream nyina wo school na me ko ana se mabrabo mu nyina ne eyese metimi awie school ewo the kurom na mabakumase.
Wow,
that was the dream. Yes,
Nsutatonsu. Now there is by him na that time.
Oh, me real school na me wo I think say 15 years. Na me real JS.
Until at age 15 or no.
Yes.
No dreaming na there
Kumase. Listen, because botma mintimi and dreamy idea it's not possible to and yet possible say menya.
Yeah.
Until man for my dwene kora ankoso.
Wow.
Because the penny for ebu bebe say edwabeba efanopa. Minim say de yete yasetena mute. Nti say me ko dream big ya. Enti me maso. Nti me de na masem nyina na say urade boa me. Na me wie school na unu say de eye ni kan yesere kora ne say me wie nyame ye madom na nsen ya che say enipa ni be fie hu say wo free me kurom kora be kumase kora no e ba be 40 minutes. So
summertime or no, it was a big deal.
It was a big deal. Na but me nyame ya dom na me frɛ ma me say mama de me wie school na me ntena atonso wie school nti ba bia wo me so meba ho bi na me ma me ye enna bia me dofo say wo di hye na lum kura na wo ye mama on fa hye obi say ya na sabeka nti me ka che na ye den so obeje so an because ono obi no akosere na akɔtua le nkyɛn na oba say we school say wo so oba le nkyɛn na me kokoduru kumase no na me kohu baabi ma me da baabi ma me da e wo kumase no what ma fe me jobs na kumase me ba kumase
ni
biambeto se maame aseten na dwuma na wo ye no na eya ahomete na so be me kan na metwa so short no the intimi ka se maame play major role in my life and they say obetena wo no be start so be no to kusua ono akusua ton nti owie ye no jai kusua ton no e na okoye adwuma otwoba na twoba ona na wo hye plate omo ayewa nim ni ade na ono a to da wo se wo no wotena ase na to da wo hwe adwuma no na o sma no abre afi wo te wa o dwene se na me nim se me ba kumase ama abrabo na ba ye mmere kakra ma me na so we de we ani emasi koi ase me hu nsesaye bia na so onya kansa o se ana me nsan ko back to atonsu ana nti wo sa kai se me nko back to atonsu no e wo sa ka se da bi se me sa kwa atonsu a me ma ne nyina be ka ekurase ho nti se de abrabo no so te etie bia no metena mu ha na me meye tumi aba be ka me ho ewo eye kumase nti se me maame anye sa ade yi amaye ne a na empo enye no nkompo se me ka se me to aso a eye on and on and on and on nti me maame has been a great pillar.
Me share me and me tell a story here we can and then it means that it was a big deal when you know you know
that's right
experience not the man
just say ade ba kwa na mama ni jikese ye enije ene sedie ene just say kind of you know to say ade a menka bi nhemu na me maame na waku no na ye ma ho wo akese because ade ba kwa na wo ye kra na mama ni mani ka kese ne say oya na wa frɛ ofa ne fo a wo say fra so masi mame na wo frɛ ma no say ya wo frɛ nya frɛ ya na wo say on said the monka so person ko gina abontin pa ko hwe land wo say me wo land no me wo land no hwe land kakra hwe land na unim say hwe land no so no ne phone no na da so hwe ne so da so so no han so instead so me ama ahwe land what the hwe land no hwe so na phone no hwe so che say kind of enije ne kind of che say me hu said e me sinka ne sinfa nyame ye o nyame ye what my nyame oye
and pay American you order to obi ni jesudo edwere wo situation ye bad ama ehu nyame ye na number pam no obaye exam psa say wumbar kan asam behind your back edwere aba how what describe it
mema oh my god the radiasi they will describe mommy as Mami Payasem. I love my children. And they love me back. And they always, you know, when you are fear, they always surround you. They will let you know, they will, especially when people know Mama, I love you.
Oh.
You know.
That's cute. That's cute.
Just say, with the radius.
It's not sure that we will support pa. Because who couldn't say I'm the capital award best husband of the year. Who couldn't no size obi educho man be that. But you know supporting the year that say.
That's it.
Be ni baby. Into no mutum hu dey we busu support.
Nyame adom. My family, the support kind of support that I have from my family, apart from Ghana for support to PSA kesiye no, me busua. They have been my backbone, almost supporting ye pa. Yeah.
Ma me put you on the spot. So oba Korean, umbe winning na a caricature there. My wajun ho nye Christian be omudan.
Intimacy. Intimacy. Yes. I am in Bible. That is my prayer. And it's something that I don't wish for anybody. Me wish him will be the intimate into me in the GDN Casa because Nipan when you know decided this is what I want to do. Sometimes we mean but GDN will already me GDN so case intimacy because I know how I've raised them.
No one samarin gospel nyom obi basi nyamenyom nyamenyom and industry you will me onye easy
at all.
There's criticisms and as sometimes you can be worrying impano or little doubts be kakaka be sikasam the minya me basi amaboy mo his na beka de oye bibia oho
to say
obi criticize ejuma aye and e bibia akoka another bibia aye and sometimes be our doubts like jizin kete bi nyame bi nshada nko the way be pede okon na sika sam the me ba say more hints na e be ka dey identify with
unse ye dwuma die so beti ase se ye dwuma bi a wo ye den wo se wo be ye den wo benya obi a one wo nya adwen ana wo benya obi a wo be tan wo benya obi a che se ompe wo kan ko se de tie bia ma beti ase because eyade a trust mu kora ebi wom na no Bible say Paul o ka asem bi o say Alexandra ko bridwumfo no o ye me boni bebre abra na Paul ye nyam dwuma no onya woni pa bia na wo tata no there was a man there was a nipa bia na one ne nya adwen de bia na wo twa Paul gu de bia na wo sese ne niema nti eyade a saafo ni bi ewo ho wakoka sa asem wedie ma memfa futuo kakra emfa wo fidi kese so emfa ma nipa bia wo hwe me a ebi behia se wo bete sa asem sometimes enye ensem a ebinum eka kire wo fa nipa no hunya na ye nokore yes sometimes you know obi a wo ye wo yonko obi a one ne ebo anan obi a mo ya adofo obi a beka ne ho asem a kire wo nti wa misa no nso so se eye nokore na anya nokore enti nipa no watwe ho afiri ne ho ana hu na wo ye ho styles bi ni ade mi wa se ya na ye wura fi se enipa no beka ne de ye wo nipa ne bu ho mo kapa mo besu amwo hu se de wo ka na eye nokore dofo ma ye hwe sa ne ma ne yie because mu bi edi nipa no bebrenya wakoka wo ho asem ya kire wo nipa bi a wo ye wo dofo enti ne wo hu wa na watwam wo hu wa won hwe wa kira kwan bi na so make us say no ebi asem nya sa na tie enti enam so be nipa wona odo no one ne kone ne ba no wo ja na chiridi because of the oyonko bi ka kire wonti me pa chaw de bia nya de ye tie nyina e na eye no kore se ye ka se ye komu a ebi a ne nipa korokora no na obedi fo e wa asem ye nhye ne nso na ye te obi ho asem a ye misa ansa ne ye de
ati me ke go de me wo background no wo de bibi esi ara
oh da bi what by ya de esi okay esi wo nipa life mu papa yeah
but asina hu de hard girl esuda
oh yes
isu
oh yes
isuda azia
yes me ya kind of nipa bia hu se de bia me sere me ade but enima ma mi sunu ye niema nketenkete enipa ya me bobo yes sometimes me hwe bibi obi su obi bi free mu na wo su me hwe nipa na nimu a you know yeah that kind of person
yeah depend on the person's mood no ewia maso mete ba anti no mete ba ka das me yamba me ye ho nkomo enyim no record no
aw but we dey wa be di one dance say nyame ye de ye ka hye Kristo ni monyam se enye se me ya mete ha me ka se bia pie se na ball nyom ni nti e na me ka but o man ni nyina ti ase agya to mu se ese se ye ka kire ruade se oye se se bia ye fi de bia wo de ya bedu no de Ebeneza ewurade oye ma yampa eni monyam nka ewurade se wama ne manfo ne nkrofo ate enwom na se ye ene nyame ye de ye mani kaka ne se emofra kra nketenkete otu nyame
mutu yo me mutu ya old me kecho otu nyame
otu nyame ye 2 years
acheze patu nyame ye
achede patu nyame ye nti kire se ewurade adom nti but my die release nyomi the first day nyom no ba abonte
my birthday
on your birthday
yeah
I mean 20th August
yes
just say you know it's amazing and she's my love you know na nyom no
and the chamo to me royalties bia
eti nyame ye die yesu nti oman ni nyina so mu se ampa nyame oye
no ha samara nyam PCS star nyame ye all streaming platforms I will enjoy nyame ye tree
nyame ye e wo so
invite nyame ye wodo da Adom pocho brabaka ye no ho na yento onyum de nyame ye PCA manda papa da ne pay ababaka nsa awa ha de portions of manda ho na ase portions restaurants nyame insho ho ne ye papa manda ho na ase odo na pa PCA wona o Tuesday na pa wo ma hen
what when you say 2nd November so nyame ye adoma Flora Made by Grace by Diana
yeah event of the year
yes Flora Made by Grace 2nd November. Nyame ya doma.
Okay. Ebe launch.
Ebe life and color.
And launch.
Oh, ye.
Okay. In due time, no.
That's right.
Information be all who be a baby obey no so you free so be to ni nyina the details ni nyina no yes Badwam na mama da portions for say a local continental dish be abomos na fa hade na GB when is by kama papa ha so efe ana ha ye ofe
ha ye kama
ha fa papa
say ombo fufu ho de
o jollof bi so people's favorites
and what den
nya sam kakra ba
oh my god
fa ha na be GB enezi na for portions was 059 743 5345 Mr. Number is number no DBM 059 7435 345 for portions restaurants na or the ways money for there for butum park there show on wa domodo into no one for this I don't for discount na fa more is there no the fancy do before boso do no e was secular song bi o dana secular song ah we me de oh it's a black hole it's a it's a
na Kwame Eugene I mean you know it's Kwame Eugene you know Kwame Eugene here yes only the producing
conversation about
that's right
no Ghana dey how
Babedana say nyame shira Kwame God bless you so much I'm most grateful you really did a good job Erade shira
yes
yeah
no one samara nyir some your close ka no ati Kwame your close ka no ai ito how the years on common no years base ekin se be camera OPG am producer we be Kofi Ampedu head of productions or wa had na PSA ne husband me no
oh my god to aso
so wa had o biara record kama wa had awe jimbre ne ye yi won mo so nyam chia ho nyam dan mo ase nyam ya doma ibasa na ye hia CCRZ
Say yam wakwa baby me Adom TV Badwam na uguso no na de edu so no so Amen Scientific Heba an alternative medical hospital na ba doctor or say wusu abani e ba bedi nkoma for self medication ho this ye baby ani ya abawura pharmacy oni akota aduro na ye nom aduro na ye prescribe ma ye na ye nom ye no because the same thing as abentini as akoto na ye say ya doctor fo nkuma eni eba be di ho nkomo de ntie ni kwan se ye sa da bi yesre mo ni die mu ana ho sunsun so aso no eye bebre dog ye na se da se pa se no this topic we aba self medication e ko so pa o e ku ya ho anya o
enya sem ko to amini aba obi ati ana na ye maso
yes
because one way or the other no ye nyina
they at fault
o ma muni nyina ye for victims essence very common na the man here ekran say see ano ye fie mu ana say yen community no ye will be a why no self acclaimed doctor say utipa wa o kwanti asmesi wo o ko obemu aduro ko papa we o obetete han bia ma o kowe o para o de ma just self medication no e ya de a ekosu bebre na mini abade di kan meda wase na ma chia wahwefo ene ganafo nyina na Amen Scientific Heba and Alternative Medical Hospital. Yes, say Allah Shafi, Yankopon ne yaresafo. Ya bomoden yenru hahan mu hwehwe mu bibri ene yaye ni nyina wie no. Ya sade mfidie ahodo mu akese ni mu nkotoa. A de aboa scan o diagnose o hwehwe oni padua mu nyina. Ye hu yare no ansa ne nuru na ye hu thorough research no ye de account na aboa atu yare ase ama wo yesi enkwani na banchire emfa wo penko toto duro basa anya saa overdose ni ade e the complications bebre wo na nsanya ye release statement yesi 6 months in a space of 6 months kolebu say enipa 2000 and anya kidney mu nyarwa 2000 o na kolebu nye nationwide so we be free different regional bar na say referral condition na no dey anya say nim say ye wa kra ya na access facility no into 2000 in a space of 6 months and anya kidney mu nyarewa ye research na na hu say ampa self medication e kan wo na mini aba e ka self medication na nyina ne say sabi ohododo kakra unya signs and symptoms bi otipai wo honam ye omre kakra ana say bibi nkoyie na wa wakoto aduru no wanom wa akotete hanu akofa nu bina bi no wanoa na wonom titru de eto over the counter no na say pharmacy no ye kokora na nke ye chire mu say oh me ho ye me ameti me ho aye hye enka pharmacists no they've been trained accordingly wait ma prescribe bibia ma kono we na nyambo anopa kwa sabia na nya check up but ye yakọ no ebi kura do na ekuta box dada na ye ko ana ye kuta ya do din da ano na ye ko nti ye bewie no na ye kura na ya je no ya sa be no no se na ye pe ti nyame ammo a overdose no de amna ye yin kura say self medication ba ko bi wo ho a eno no ebi obi hu mfa no enne na me hu mfa me makwa ya sabia no ya check me ehun say oh ho ye hye oti wode wo honam ya oya ye hwe na malaria ya tro adura ma doctor tro calculated dose because aduro na wo fa ma wa yaresa no se kobro so kakra bi a no antimi do how bebre brawo it calculated dose doctor ya training no accordingly so eno wa tro ama okono ye na ho ato no 3 months later 6 months later 2 years 5 years later no hu se dodo uti ya oya honam ya o se oh me say oh na no de na bi afi de wan kwa yaresa bia biem wa wakọ akoto aduro kro na ano nti obetima no aduro na e bia this time na nya malaria typhoid nti obenum afi ne ho nto no aduro na wo nom no ho moa wani mu e na wo nom nti aduro ne koye den wa wonya yaresa da bia no how ne yekese nti self medication egumu awodo bebre na de ye common e na mabobo so yi me say enura ya bi usi no organ na ha no common ones and ya na J6 their friend painkiller no ai no nim say paracetamol ya para yo e bi obi afi no asenko for liver ye nya cases abibri
wa hwe
na juma din a wo yenti anopa wi anwumra ahomache para no anoma painkillers yi asaya ma ne liver ne kidney eko so saanso na ye frɛ bibi eye cough syrups anti diarrhea ni ade me bo kakra bi no makoto wi ebi kura to asifi a ade no e woni ma kura o no no on a regular basis de ne ye common kura ehu e bibi e frɛ no vitamins and food supplements and ne obia pe food supplements ye nemum consult a physician ma professional enhwe dodo say na wo se ofa unim say nya obi a oba ye ho a ye check in no na ne kidney say ye hwe no na ofa vitamin C ye ya vitamin C yo covid craba ye so no boost immune system e boa ma skin ye fe no no open skin quality skin and as a good skin any atoso no me na ne kidney no ekọ wanya bibi ye fe no oxalate nephropathy calcium oxalate crystals na build one system mu bebre na e say ni kidneys no ye ko hwe no na e say ade na wo se dose na wo fa no a day no wa fa dodo a na e bi 2000 mg no ofa 4000 nice and ofa 2000 and 2000 esa say what say e be boa ma ne honam atoso no no akoto ye nka say food supplement ne ye eye but consult physician doctor on sure so be fa dodo say o be fa say unim say antibiotics na obi nya infection kakra bia o me johnson tente no akoto antibiotics lead to a lot of antimicrobial and antibiotic resistance and obi betima afa antibiotics anya ne hwe so wa fa na all self medication no afi lead to misdiagnosis yare na ayo no nya hu adu na na ofa ofa adu fufuro bi efa ofa no e ma yare a wonni nti wo he be den saanso na lead to bibi a friend antimicrobial resistance afi wonya yare ankasa na wo se ma antibiotics no onu ma nya adwuma ebi mu di akodu ba bi se lead to bibi a friend over dependence and drug abuse afi da bia wo da duro so obi aduro kura ededa no ontimi na wo nti sesei no wa fa aduro ededa ma da bia age se onya aduro anya aduro ontimi na eno na amen scientific say emfa wo aduro nkofefe emfa ope kofefe aduro banchire bia ne ade tu anamon bra amen scientific na adansidi a etwagu no bra ne enhyew encheke wo free utri so kosi unase yehu ohawo na ansa na ye de aduro akawo yenhwe adansidi yi ye ba be wrap up na afa ye wie ye nkoma ye defy self medication ho ye try dance dey
wo she we mu a yango ba daroma aba chiro yare na sa tutia na sa prescribe medicine na ba she wo mu so mo so entitu kama organs ni na nyame adaroma na entitu ni na free which so kopumo na ase na entitu
December mo and me mama kai me say how yari I'm scientific or na we na baby na me buy December 4 Berane test near the edging row. December 8th, na me home menses. For the whole year, na me home menses. But December 8th, we must have menses. We cannot miss you up and say, oh, and I'm wasting me whole year. Or papa, and I think Berane labs near that things, we say, brain system. Tina, and so I bet say, in December, my country, and I'm said, what of
the difference that Adom cry, my matin person, the man says, yeah, difference. I mean, not really most of the time, I catch my colleagues there. Don't remember, I mean, there was the vast difference, Massa, the mutual answer.
I say, true foreigners in the dancing you were chi. Amen scientific as well. I dance dear say any more can see any monk to an travel day in day out. Yes, say, why any paddy, Edia, that could be who better do. And foul penco to a drew basa, and go for how the author came, the author can chain, a book here drew, a dry in your own research beyond a to. Ye queen who slowly, ye damage ye livers, ye kidney see. Amen scientific say, Brian Sabia. Yen check you on yen share. When you more self medication or more reason on them. Or my sem say, Omuko, I resabia, and nipe guo, fin ye be delight, so sa, ye need time. And I be also swear, only say, last a year me, we are near mammy, to me, quite no one, de mammy. There be, swear ya bramo or pomudian. When ya bramo, nipeduano, and ya pomudian. Ya rebe nya bramo. Na say, ya renya bramo, so the out form. Nyamia mwa ho kyerebe ohia ba kyew efie begija enu nti amen scientific say nyabre ma oni pedua tie no science and symptom bibi dey di na emfa wo pen to adura ope ka kra na wutwi na fault aba wo de be ma mechanic nti e dey na oni pedua ni spare parts na unhu unim hu nim de unfa ma professional fabra amen scientific professionals en fam fidie check wo yen hu yare yen fa aduro nwanwaso a fd agi atum yen fa moa yen hwew na wonsi undi yi e wa apomuden kwaso nyamre mu apomuden ne bra frɛ yen e wa amen scientific enkra ha ye odome CFC flat ne nchen eco train dade ne so wa ye ben dome market ye ben dome crossing saa so ne ben tantra here runabout fanum yen se baabi ofri baabi oduru wona obisa abofra kra be kyerɛw okɔ sprintersmpatam wa ye wala shibi klagon e ho ne ye ne goy filling station ene di nhwɛ ne mu ye ben ashama na da bridge ne pa frɛ yen aso ye ne doso mintimi nka ne nyina ye bre ne nti na emu frɛ yen baabi a obia no ye be kyerɛw ye branch a e ben wo no aba ne ahwɛ 0244 227192 0244 227192 020 722 9505 020 722 9505 0245 275 254 0245 275 254 yes bra ne mboa o bo Herbal Hospitals now ti amen scientific dia na onim say yen Premier Herbal Hospital
yeah that's
nyame ensa nyina yare
amen
nya ahode yemra ne metwe yen
yeah that's papa amen scientific Herbal Hospital for number no ne won eni enkommo enne de I birthday we special birthday from Rap Masati eye me ankasa me uncle I no kani papa bi uni say 1.5 our no trade ewo agogo Presby B Asante Achim North ene eye ne birthday anti erade enhira o mayu erade nya okese o ma osumfra dumu enkwa dumu nti Rap Masati wadaroma ye ne e wo so ye nwai tugunusu ai ne mani timu nya ne de mayu na so aye wasede so ate ase ha oye wasede on so be na sede na bibia ye come anti happy birthday erade show man kwatenti ahoden en munyam ni sika ni shirapo muden ewom enye odia bidi ya fia amankwa tamaklo umre no wada agenti yeda se kwasi ya krado pensem mono toaso e dia mawo ye kwaba
Yaba we nyama chema kwaba emfa emra bedwam dwumade so on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280. Go TV channel 119. Multi TV they give us on this live. And so yes streaming on all social media platforms. Maybe abeko be search for Adom TV. So on Facebook let me search for Adom TV Extra. Na in YouTube Adom TV. Baby onye live bia no join it. Neja comment honum. Ye begina kai area my fana sekese ko envama Kingdom Herbal Center. Omana kofa Kingdom Garlic Bitters. Kingdom Garlic Capsules they abedwa so. Na ene adura ebo ye pa se na be ya wo o cholesterol arise cholesterol pa na no tie. Owura amofase en kan cho se enkoto keke because obi aka cho so cholesterol. Ko hospital ni enya o test. Ye enya cholesterol test ni usampa. O de arise beyond normal. The average around 5.2. O de nam 5.7, 5.8. Then once your cholesterol cause now doctors agia tumuno. No kope Kingdom Garlic Bitters and a Kingdom Garlic Capsules. Ni bi ato an. Mebe boy ye pa. Mebe bi ato do bi ano. O kwa nsa ebeke bi ato. Adu 4 enfrem 0275 804 064 0275 804 064 and at 0302 938 153 0302 938 153 Kingdom or see no challenger. Abiyafo atlas na enche beko Kwame Nkrumah circle. Weba so some of the visuals ni bia. And the youth wing of the new patriotic party. Ye oye kire. Omasem nyina ne se kwan aban eba ye. Wafa so enam kotikwa so kire wachitafo no. Ensem fata. And the things so say aban pen for ye hu bibi pa. Because baby e ka kon na yachiwe ochinachiwe na yachiwe ochinachiwe no. Omutebi so mani enyo. Salam Mustafa enedu omanim enomo akosa oye cheti ejebe ko na yemia musa akọ akọtwe ekumasa me no kasa na bedwafo atenase. Honorable Collins Adom Mensa a member of Parliament Madishe wo Kwabre North constituency. Afija Kwabre North. Or your former deputy energy minister. Sanso ena Honorable Kojo Edu Asare. A former member of Parliament. Wo Adeshia wo Adentan constituency. There's a big news coming your way. Maybe you'll get more details this morning. What is Bokodi?
Yankupon Adom.
Who nache?
Parliament or recess. Okay. My question in Pesua so my employers. Many of my coding Komokaka. Okay. And of course some official parliamentary travels.
Yeah.
Tienwana maybe do
Akwaba.
Thank you.
Welcome to Accra.
That's
Swaga.
Yes, sir.
Oje ye.
Eye pa.
Abamu ye.
Mini abamu na.
O say o party ne wo abamu. And you are the watchdog of your party in government.
Oh, we some say me party mun sem.
Okay.
Ne metimi yi.
And this mu ye.
And mu ye pa. Aban they have their spokespersons and all of that inti. Enye ni nyina me what briefs meeting me speak like to speak on behalf of government, but the nyina picky, sounds and sights and sounds, and no na bit me comment to okay bibi sadia I can comment, but aban mun sem de enye ni nyina na meet me yi ano
omo mun me to kwan omo mun me nyina ko to kwan. But clarify do you is it true say what about simple say NDC be a quenya tum for the next presidential flag bearer brisa ube prebi?
If you say I don't know, but I'll still answer. And yeah, it's not out of place. It's something that a number of people believe say if I do it, it will be in a good interest of our party. But it's early days yet. I only mentioned it the last time on radio because the conversation, confers our area no kakra, and I just gave a hint of it. But it's early days. We want to let the government roll its policy, let the Ghanaian people build the groundswell of for like that goodwill for the party. And no sooner say you know do sooner say your prayer.
Okay.
You be so at your pray. So I would say it's premature at this point for anyone to, you know, come up with that kind of idea.
Okay.
So that the government can have some time to solve the issues Ghana for fund burner. So now for now these issues must because your deputy chairman
national chairman
also call your friend thank you to, and it raised a number of concerns in the discussion of that. You know, I asked the question whether or not anybody has officially come out to say 7% the president.
Okay.
None of them has said so.
Okay.
Nobody. Until I took that opportunity to be the first.
Oh, okay.
But of course, as I said, it's not something that and yeah, CSUP. You know,
so it will be the same say we all the options. And you likely say ubitimiaba race.
Very likely.
Okay. Manu Chinkwe.
No, I wish him well. Obi Enimino, we're deep party chief for some time. We're a dedicated member of the party for a very long time. The constitution is very clear. Omo qualified to contest for president. We're 40 years, I believe. We're a very card-bearing member of the political party we belong to. I'm sure we'll occupy some national positions before, and I will try to occupy some national positions. Why a member of parliament before? I don't think it's a BBS in the coin. Said you can say, "Many soon as atmosphere no conducive." I think say throw any weights into the ring. I don't have any problem with that at all. Of course, a dean baby and said you young allow politics. Those who want to contest, everybody sees it, and then baby yet to say the baby can draw, you know, to play around issues. It's very clear what is happening.
I mean, council.
So when you say, I mean, you don't need to be a political to understand what is going on. Okay. Every political party we are go through the cycle when there's a major change of power. Okay. And when I say major change, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has been the leader of the party for the past 20 years, de facto leader, 20 to 24 years, right from His Excellency John Atamel's time, or the vice up to now. He's the de facto leader. His era is coming to an end. By the constitutions, no, he cannot do anything about it. The era no back to an end. What it means is that power from that particular man will have to shift to another block.
Okay.
And that is where the party be a one managing that situation here. Yeah, MPP are got through that problem. When Kufo was leaving, it was moving to another person. We had a lot of challenges. One of the biggest problem is how to manage this process. So we to be managing the area, well and good for them. But from all indications, it's going to be fierce, which is normal. Chairman, or no, I want to thank you, Tor. You don't need anybody to tell you, say, he's preparing himself.
So the chairman say,
and
now what chairman say?
The maker. You know, you do politics here, chair. Okay. The party and the president are going to thank you, Tor.
Okay.
Chairman, see, Debbie. Election, no, baby, no, baby. So, thank you, Tor. The chief of staff today. Okay. There's no social gathering. I will invite an uncle. It was
maybe familiarization.
Familiarization.
To let people know himself. Julius Debra.
See, primaries were not free.
Okay.
Debra, but senior. It was clear the fight that went on at the primaries. Oh, and you're not making social media. They say, oh, wait, Haruna candidate in here. A candidate in here. Haruna won. They say, yeah, he still controls the north.
No, but take you over from
yes,
Mutala.
It was a fear. It was not even about
Professor Sedu.
It was not about the candidate. It was about who was behind the individual candidate.
Oh, okay.
Many him. Haruna could care more about 2-3 days and no bank crime. That's when you were even in its absence. he still controls the area. It's, you know, it's quite normal. Over parliament, and he has been in parliament before.
Yeah.
Those who are for Haruna, and you'll be able to catch it.
NDC MPs.
Absolutely. Make I say yes, son, no. Come share or more year. They were open. Yeah, penny. This is that. You know, this battle is going to be a tough battle. You see,
battles the Lord.
The only problem is that we are president.
Yeah.
We're just 8 months, 9 months. It's not a percent called settle down. But these are all distractions for him.
Okay.
And these are very senior members of the cabinet and the party. And one year, I'm sure it's a Cherisha for Beba. I suspect. I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
It will be in his good interest.
It will be in his interest to tell them to their faces, say, you either join me for governance or you prepare to take over from me. If you want to take over, step aside and prepare
so
yourself.
So a to say Haruna Idrisu, Minister of Education, Minister of Food and Agriculture,
Eriko Poku. Yes.
They are likely to be reshuffled.
Nancy, the voter bloc have started pushing Anyafo.
Yeah.
Some social media, they also feel say parts they've been a backbone for a very long time. A few more.
Okay.
You know, they want to come back. It's Anyafo has popped up. Who the two has popped up. One was say the central region people are saying vice but you know some in here greater cry. Listen,
a lance minister.
Hey, this is a greater cry for so the Mimia Bemba. Don't forget, say the former campaign manager of the NDC. The only pictures now saying very interesting, nice pictures. Alabi. Oh, if you go now, pop it up.
Okay. What say NPP? You quick one on NPP youth for us. One more say as I buy at 18 years old, so do. And they achieve. A too much. They face a harassment. And they classify as political witch hunting. As usual.
Honestly, say, indeed, say, a buying in Amhona, maybe I'll take car, ya the car be nam chrome. You shall not say, when you're here, and the assessor on Mogu car and say, Yacho. It doesn't happen like that. We're about 32 to 33 million Ghanaians. So far, buying by, I sure say yachi nipa 10. Nti say 10 krana, take 33 million and strike 10 as a friend saying, who the way I yes I must know. 10 versus 33 million. Okay. Say oh yeah, yeah.
Over percentage wise.
0.000,000.
Okay.
Yeah. So negligible. So this noise about it's a storm in a teacup. I don't think
the basis of the arrest.
Which is the basis?
So be kasakra na dia fedie.
Nipa saying. That's why I'm asking about the ratio and the percentage. Do you understand? If you want to make analysis of an issue and look at the weight of it, you strike the numbers. And no now we just so you know the sound of it, the loud sound because I did not buy then you want to make it look like it's Bibia a koso every day. How many people have they arrested? Abronye. This gentleman who said they will kill the president and the wife and the girl back home. Why you?
It's a fancy comedy.
Oh no, I'm making.
Okay, say Obama.
So Obama can one for.
Abronye wom, Abronye dada. And I seem say 2 ladies be on you somewhere involved in way a case.
She
Fancy.
Maximum 6. And I've just opposed that with 33 or 32 million Ghanaians. So how is this an issue that you and I should sit around a table like this and discuss?
But should it be about the numbers? And
Yes.
The reason behind the
It should be about the numbers.
Oh,
because to want to make it look like a bibia, a every day, every time, and it must be a concern to people. It must be about numbers. It must be about numbers.
So
please, what this number of people a call demonstration?
Yeah.
Does it this issue warrant any situation like that? Yabu obi ekunu.
Okay.
Yabu obi ekunu. Does it go and face legalities? Why a BB? Na cultural statement. Cultural statement. Say. You will bill. You court. Court say. Where did the government go wrong? It's a no better than a year youth and home demonstration. It's a waste of everybody's time. Yes, because you are also not saying, say, Obia, just because we have freedom of speech, we should just throw anything at all out there and get away with it. What kind of society can we build with that? And the fact that, the fact that it happened last time doesn't mean it should continue. Until for me, I think, say, this whole, is an exercise, an opportunity for them to do some keep fit, to energize themselves. It looks like they are going through their own, challenges. They are reeling into some kind of, all kinds of, internal issues. Almost they test your popularity. So this will be an opportunity for them to step out there, gauge the popularity of the party. And also Salam wants to retain his place as the youth organizer. Who say, want to step up to organizer or something. Yeah, so he wants to put some youth for them to see, say, or what. He still wields a certain control of the youth. So this is an opportunity for him to test all of these things. It's okay if it goes on and on and on. But trust me, Ghanaian people believe in the NDC government. They trust in the NDC government. They entrusted so much control and power to us. And we are also being modest about it. As much as possible, be out of place. Okay. We have not touched any human rights issue. There are all the friends, institutions, as I say, they are playing their role. This issue was about the police, IGP attempt, and used unprintable words and all kinds of things. And it is the police that came after him. From there, it went to the court. The court remanded him. And some of us even think, say, the manner in which Abronya in particular was remanded was wrong. And we have come out to say it, and the Attorney General himself stepped up to fight the case and got him bail before even the date of the adjournment. For me, I don't see where we, as government, and I say the NDC government, should be blamed, or to make to look like bibia, stifling something that is stifling other people's freedoms and all of that. We haven't done anything like that.
Grounds near senior Brasport, Russo at the FM staff say, what's it, Menka, 80 Musbao, say, what's it, Menka? Demonstration, we are starting, and that's what that's who Brasport.
You see, the Omada so our Brasport, what do we say, MPP for no, I just say, Omu youth, no, everybody Guha, as I say, what do we say, some shape of their numbers, and instead of do 500 now, Omu penny for no. I can't say I'm more expecting her in Gabia, almost arrangement, and I just say more and more youth, ever joining protest, Now, who some of more high profile personalities, which is there, Okoboy, Abaha, now paying so Nasara coordinator, and also me who know her, and I say so almost vice chairman, party chairman, Matawudu so ewa ha make us say now air national youth organizer ne there Salah Mustafa onyam bedu ha e no GDS says so bedu ha and na can I say march no ebe start na unse utie de omo kan e wo say ehunahuna no and na omo empe inti omo trese abai no akoba say omo de ehunahuna ene yede etata omo party officials no into wo say de eto abronya DC omo so mo ninje ho wo say de eto tema wutu ni so na omo so mo ninje ho iti no ma ba ha say omo ka tre police for omo ka tre omo beni do mahama say then all these state institutions no ehunahuna omo no omo pe iti no ma be ku ha enti omo say omo de petition baka koma ITP iti omo call police headquarters a koma ITP petition omo fi hon so a omo call Jubilee House na te say omo akoma omo ampeni so petition ye nte omo ampeni eni Ghana de o amono ne na so omo so omo be ko ho na mo de petition no akoma no na so oba na wetumi aye ho ejuma na police for no so no na nka ye no mu dum komo omo say regional commander no baba du ha it obedu ha na te say wa my briefing no ba we say police for more ha dia omo na be 200 300 omo do so pa out to say a police for no I ready for and the protest no na de ba kun so am ehu no say be hu say a police for no yeah the body camera to omo nyina omo so omo nyina is the body camera enti we are youth na say we are there o pe say we police no enye class we gidigidi bisa ana we ade bia contravene imrana you say body camera no ebechu na say police for no out and make sure say the law will take its course. Inter police for no send a who what with by election no omo as say body camera to say omo e crado say and the protest no omo bechena bibia akoye na obra sports ha no who start say outer lane bi e wo ho na e call say dankwa any traffic traffic na police for no omo ye de o metumi na at least truck drivers ni private drivers among for be so omo normal working activities no metumi akoye the omo say omo koye but traffic pa enye fe dia gro na inti ni ekoso no what you say imperi for no omo ni nje ni ato omo party officials no be especially omo say omo foot soldiers no be omo say TikTok in some omo kan any kwan ya emrano ana abai no edo omo fast no omo so omo ni je ho crack
Martin was bounty sir estatia
omo be protest no
okay estatia be sir about
eno koso ha no
okay yenua Musbao Razak na etela man born multimedia some training yeah all grounds eti so I got wrap up now
yeah so yeah minua ikan this year with the report or the Maui almost all year like TikTok members now, like Tata TikTok, we have over 2,000 different Ghanaians on it. Sabi, how many of them? It be the preachy, it be the all manner of things. It be the ton or madie, it be the promotu or more nema. So why is it that more the things that will not attract obese or mbechino? So it's it's a discretional issue. Owner will decide what will bring you trouble. So when you dare the system, then the system will come after you. As a country, we must protect the sanctity of our culture. Yeah, sorry, and once it festered in a certain regime, doesn't mean say we should allow it to fester. I brought your coil by so still he's doing his work. But this time minus the harsh language that he was throwing out there. And once he continues like that, nobody will go after him.
But I say Koyodo was a former member of Parliament Malaysia Wellington constituency.
Politics is interesting though. Could you see a cookie fit car?
That's it.
Was he a cookie fit? And then we go to demonstration, keep fit. Could you pick pictures be pa just say Kojo
second so na ba de
Kojo o atari mi o shepa
yeah, what did it happen?
You know, I don't think it's about the numbers.
Okay.
Me you know, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, whether you like it or not, he comes across a peacemaker. Okay. He's obia or tolerant. Ordinarily, you would think he's very unfunny maybe. Sometimes certain things happen. What you say, communication director and the mutual letter say they should reverse it. The man, you know, so that is his demeanor.
Okay.
So if such a person, now a president, now will be Kasa or TikTok, also watching, there's a direct disconnect between the persona we know as His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and the actions of certain people he has appointed into authority. That is where the problem is. And especially when there are other people from your own political party doing worse. Insult on the IGP. John Mahama winning election. I watch XYZ or something, one of the radio stations. There's a gentleman called Listowell. Listowell on the former IGP. I'm sure could you do as I have seen the video. And some will come for IGP no. When they were planning to get him out in summer Okanye, he was not arrested. He's still walking around. Me, I'm down for Kelvin Taylor. Me, the corporate me meet. He came to Ghana, moved through Ghana. Let's do content analysis of what he says and what Omoya teacher almost say and I've been saying. But he was in Ghana. Me, I don't condone, excuse my language, I didn't change stupidity. Radios now did you be at my no. So I don't support Obi on the party say oh did just for insulting sick. No, I don't support that. Because we believe you can communicate your issue without insulting anybody. So I don't support that. Let's put that aside. But when there's selectiveness in dealing with Obi Odidi Atema, then there's a problem.
Okay.
Could you see a Chinipa 5? Maybe I can talk about almost 10 people. Paul Adomochi Acheno. Governor. The governor of Bank of Ghana. Who they go in
the former governor.
The former governor. Go to his house. A boy actually Fawaz Bori, I must have a boy.
Say Obama.
Say Obama. What did he do? Now, at 4 a.m. You move into his house. No, Buni die.
Open the door.
Open the door. No, open the door. What's it for? So, what say Obama? Papa, the original organizer. Yes, almost doing it.
Ah, yeah.
Did you see the video? Our police phone every war into the person's house. I don't mean hand to say, where should you feel?
That's Abo.
Yeah. That cannot be His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and that is where the issue is. So it's not about one person or two other people are arrested. It's about the actions of Omua or no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama are appointed. That is where the problem is. That is where the problem is. Judge here or Oma a friend saying abroad. Me tell the dress on one of the stations. Yeah, me no lawyer. As who read the judgment now, what you say? I say way there. Baby up on the fire. So it was clear. Said no, let's punish him. Let's put some fire in him. Financial baby. Now the emotion. The arrests are becoming one too many. She said, well, they are by bail conditions. Oh yeah, for 10 million, bro.
It be in your bonnet.
Oh yeah, 200 million.
Say be our bonnet.
Paul, I'm watching the end crowd. I say, a dine on family. I say, only dream.
And also, if you
honestly, if you
just all body see me.
I so see me. Not need to so. I say, you know.
But you see, on a more serious note, can we also look at say, yet send you can mean to us some course send ye can we also look at case by case? One to me, Poladomotre, and some of them no, entirely maybe different from Abronye, Se Obama, Fante comedy. Want to be pay what the Deputy Attorney General may say, would di abandonment de bia sinto abem, same as Poladomotre. Ofa Fante comedy. Yes, say one man who come on a platform so. Obia can semwa any kwase nka yeka.
Say obia they said the pakode can say
also because also
Obi
president. Do say nyon the car. But because on the man medium no. Now for me to say Obama or say yes also information be about nkophobia ikita etua emu do
also there no he was sharing somebody's information.
That is it. It was say ufa cheba won to me ebe from na one no
I was just talking about the general arrest.
Okay, arrest okay.
I'm saying say Obama. The police person invites Obama. It's a very simple process. And so could if you for him go the gate. Why do you want to break the gate? O person needs to Obama Casa or Ghana. Police. Do you have to go to his house for him? Like a criminal. What's I'm gonna say? But Odeas I can say me MPP
30 seconds.
I can't stand here and say a BNC during our time.
Okay.
This is where we have to find a way of charting a new path. Okay. To ensure that it doesn't repeat itself. Because I am sure, say it's John Dramani Mahama, will be catch and say, now can say I arrest now, and we'll go say, go and release the person. I'm not interested in that. Don't create problems for the man when there's no problem.
That's it. Welcome here. Yeah, but see, near to us. For one message be at the mouth from Ample for say good morning. It's not true that NPP didn't try to arrest to go after Kevin Taylor. We all witnessed when Mr. Adoye traveled to look for Kevin Taylor. They shouldn't paint a positive picture as if they were saint. If they believe in democracy, why didn't they bail Afuku after the court had granted him bail? Ask Honorable Collins Adom from Yokin to be and also let me say happy birthday. Enko Enfama Felix Sukari, CEO of Felisco San Ghana Limited, and your birthday. We wish you all the best.
Oh, make sure say it's 8 years, Mama Kai. Yeah. It's a new Biana sometimes you respond to. Okay. I mean, those who watch no 8 years, Mama Kai. Okay. Had nothing to do with this.
Okay.
So.
But as now make out say ABC games no eba 80 and then 5 p.m. You have a live draw. You bet me I enter into it. Dial star 262 hash. Okwa selected 5 p.m. time no. And your letters from A to Z. Selected 3 letters. We back on a bar. Wadi. We mean a bar. Wadi. So you me and sana letters in our body. Wait me out to share some more TV. So sika de bubruja. It can say Adom TV live draw 5 p.m. Dial star 262 hash. Star 262 hash. Let's select 5 p.m. slot no. A draw. When you draw. When you galam say no ama Oliver Vama asati esi krobubiem. I think the Deputy Director of Operations at the Presidency trying to sway them say enkomunya no mehun ampena komuni ampene kasa but emsanfa they still hate it out. And they are asking questions. Gold board nyano gold ni free hefa. Gold not to every also nya free hefa. These are the questions because mufi say ni abane ye na abane for so as a galam say na abane okay with it.
Me feel say Ghana Constitution mahon kwan at any given time say bibi koso wo man nim na wadwen kyerɛw say we all yet trebi na mpanyimfo aso ana omani kɔ ho a wo ho kwan say wo besia abonten na waye but ye wo kwan a ye fa so de ya emfa atoto sembia emma omine nti say otumi fa sa kwan no so na se ma ho kwan dia it's all right say obetumi akoye ne opeso ye nti say omuko ema ye party na say ye deputy director for operation try say obesisa omu plan I don't think say it was in its right place because I thought they made their intentions very clear ahead of time. And, you know, if they wanted that option, they would have opted for it. And, you know, at that last minute, you know, I feel that wasn't the right time to really go trying to raise that issue.
Okay.
But on the issue of Galamsey itself, I feel in the last 8 months, to be very honest with you, there has been that kind of marauding effort by government to, you know, live up to the campaign message and the promise or end the menace. Of course, the first 100 days promised to repeal. There wasn't. Was it to repeal?
Yeah.
Yes. The LI.
Yeah.
Yeah. That one was in the first 100 days promise. And no, and did he say instead of repealing it, something else was done. The friend is saying heat abba so, because it's like your car, you know, and yeah. But even that, I believe the Minister for Forestry and lands and natural resources and all of that, and also doubling as the acting minister for environment. Watro at the court attorney general say on prepare now emphasize a friend and call for a repeal. Unfortunately, Parliament is on recess in Tino. Ama a delay kakra. Tino, we believe if the Parliament of Ghana repeals that year, I know it will be one of the issues. People are calling for state of emergency.
Yeah.
Being this share manifesto, manifesto. So for people trying to make it look like, oh, NDC said this, NDC said that, it was nowhere. People may have made those comments whilst campaigning and all of that.
But now that time now would state of emergency.
You see, it was something they were putting on they were expecting the sitting government at the time to do, looking at the exigencies of that time.
Okay.
They were calling.
But now OGD.
Who say?
Now OGD.
Saying
for that state of emergency.
The state of emergency mean personally, I don't understand what it is. Do you understand? I don't understand what it is, let alone get to know how it may affect this thing. Say, we hear a state of emergency now, the next day, now show no, I blue, and now say. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Yes, because you can say, may hear state of emergency in this area, in that area, in this area, in that area. The people will migrate from that side and move to a new site. State of emergency. Has that ended the problem or solved the problem?
I think also the state of emergency now can call for the see a benya security in our forest and our river bodies now. I attacked because in baby you go do na and river friendly and wanted to say. Yeah, security enough.
No, but is that not what the previous government tried to do? That did not work. Putting soldier operation Galam start and Galam stop. All of them were military people.
But do somebody like exhausted? I did be able to to fight Galamsey.
What's the name of this guy who died? Major Muhammad died.
Yeah.
When military was sent into, you know, we've tried all manner of things.
Baby.
So I believe, that's why I want to understand what the state of emergency really means. For me to know whether it will bring something different from what we have tried and tested already. And then I'm better here. Because otherwise, just declaring a state of emergency.
Mining.
You know something?
Mine or constituency?
Maybe.
Ah, okay.
Now,
is that all come?
Say, opposition. Now, pep to me. Now, promise at the say obey. Now, when to me, the best you do is to apologize.
In this case, one empire.
You just have to pray. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama had the best opportunity during the meet the press. All he should have said was that the situation as we saw it or knew no is different. Mama time kakra Ghana for Mr. I'll solve the problem.
I agree with you.
I'm telling you, the best was to just have apologize, appeal to Ghanaians for time to solve the problem.
Or apologize over there.
Hey, Akufo-Addo. Akufo-Addo. What do you mean nickname? I'm over the man.
I'm sorry.
Galamsey campaign. We were told in this country, say the fee what be, the fee let you too good. Akufo-Addo so nyenipa. Akufo-Addo nyenipa. Akufo-Addo the fee you see it too good. You see the biggest enabler of Galamsey, the biggest beneficiary was Akufo-Addo. That's what we were told. Today we have been told say any manifesto. I've been watching the videos. Omo say any state of emergency.
Yeah.
Do you know they are positioning now in government? Senior cabinet ministers. Okudeta Blakwa. The current minister for lands. Remember video in Nigeria. I mean, farmer producer on board chair. We need a state of emergency. Brofo. And go for any brofo. This is Metro TV, a black one who also say state of emergency and almost any manifesto.
So
but the cabinet ministers who were proposing for a state of emergency, they are in cabinet now.
But they are not the head of government.
So I get you. So they are positioning them. No? What are they telling the president in cabinet now?
Maybe Omaka president.
They don't catch the president. They are kind of manifesto.
The emergency. Be proposing their president.
So Ghanaians should not take politicians serious when we say something because they need manifesto.
Oh, how?
Are you? That is exactly what you are telling me.
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama.
Oh, really?
John Dramani Mahama say, oh no.
Mr. Mahama, His Excellency. Okay. On the video. Mr. Akufo-Addo, Ghanaians have given you the power.
Yeah.
Solve the problem.
Is it not true?
Is there a point or one? So you should solve the problem.
Okay.
They say, when you overpromise and you underdeliver, what you do, you apologize and tell Ghanaians, say, as someone said, time. I'm telling you, all of us will understand him.
Yeah, I think that's what is important.
But you see, but for people to be still talking and trying to claim, say, oh, Galamsey, we are solving it. You and we are solving what?
No, that is true.
It's true.
It is being solved.
Galamsey now it's worse.
It's not true. And you can't say so.
You
see, it's the media that is overblowing this. No, I'm serious. It's the media. I'm telling you the truth. It's the media that is overblowing it. It's not true. It's not. I'm telling you. It's the media that is overblowing it. It's not true. It can't be true.
The situation now.
It can't be true. It can't be true.
I'm telling you.
I am mining site, Ben.
Oh,
it's mining site.
Now I'm saying almost every day. Hey, Erastus Facebook page. Go to all the media people. Come on, reporting.
I said it's a media issue. It's not
going
true.
On.
It's not reflecting whatever they are putting out there. It's not what is on the ground.
My advice to government, Excellency.
It's not true.
He should appeal to Ghanaians for time. But this approach, say, person will defend it, and it's not as bad as it was near the day.
It cannot be. A process. 8 months cannot solve a 15-year-old problem. 8 months. It can't solve a 15-year-old problem. Out of 8 years.
It was in particular. And no problem.
Okay.
So any other person about her. I've been observing his language. His language on this Galamsey matter is different. He's been consistent. It means him say 8 months cannot solve the problem. And we had the cabinet minister who told us, yeah, man, 10 days. 10 days. Why is Akufado's 10 days different from your 8 months? Why?
Also, that is if the then president was serious to fight it.
So, the president was serious. If Akufado needed 10 days to solve it, John Mahama, His Excellency, the one who is serious, he needs more than 9 months. Is that the argument? It will not wash. That's the point I'm making. It will not wash. And it is because of in some of kind, you name him say 8 months cannot solve the problem. But you were telling us, some 10 days.
I think so.
Now you give me 10 days. 10 days you do 9 months.
I think so. The ministry will have to brief Ghanaians.
Okay. Lands and natural resources.
Yeah, they have to brief Ghanaians as to how far they have
like
come.
The status.
Yes, because we say, we are throwing things back and forth. Okay. The real picture is not being painted.
Okay.
I call on the minister and his team to brief Ghanaians. The progress they have made in terms of forestry areas, water bodies are cover with the interventions now. It will help all of us so that
it's difficult to argue with him
because
yay, coming in. But the maker said, they should be apologizing to Nana Adom Akufo-Addo.
Okay.
For the unnecessary attack on his person.
But that's
on his person.
Many the akwesi is here. Yakopo yard watch never say share. By now you here at Trinity Baptist Church for day 2 of Integrity Conference. 6 p.m. Pepe. Yen share hold on. Many the akwesi is watching now. It our for Adom TV. Yakra.